I beg to mention item number 20 of today's list.
20. Yes. What do you want?
It and the revenue department was supposed to get some instructions. Those are,
On the prayer of Mr. Adhar, then council for the respond number 7, list this matter after 2 weeks. 4 weeks? 2 weeks, so as to enable him to file affidavit in opposition. Additional affidavit in opposition.
In the meantime, the interim order earlier will continue.
Mr. P.K. Roy Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioners is present without any objection. Without objection, huh? Please. Interim order passed earlier shall continue.
obliged by.
May I plead your lordship, my lord, I
Yes.
beg to mention item number 3, my lord. My lord,
Three.
this matter has become infructuous, my lord.
Mr. D.P. Bora, learned counsel for the petition submits that the writ petition has become infructuous. Please step. Accordingly, writ petition is stands closed as having been become infructuous.
Obligement.
Lordship, I beg to mention item 52 of today's list, Lordship.
52.
We have informed the other side, Lordship. I am seeking 2 weeks' time accommodation to file a affidavit, Lordship.
52. Yes, on the prayer. On the prayer of Mr.
H. Aliha, Lordship.
No. Mr. H. Ali, Learned Standing Council, Health Department, list this matter after 3 weeks, so as to 3 weeks, so as to enable him to file affidavit in opposition, huh? Mr. So and so, Bidas, Learned Council for the petition is present. Who prays for, who prays for listing of the, who is prays for fixed, who prays for fixed date, huh? Accordingly, list on 4th.
May I, Lordship?
Yes,
Lordship, like to mention item 34, Lordship.
yes,
Yesterday only we have received the affidavit from government, Lordship. So,
on the prayer of item 30,
34, Lordship. Yesterday only we have received the affidavit. of-
list this matter after,
This time maybe allowed.
on the prayer of Mr.
NZ Chaudhary.
N.J. Chaudhary, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. List this matter after 3 weeks. So as to enable him to file affidavit in
These are
reply.
the- Obliged, Lordship.
May I please, lords? I beg to mention item number 16, my lord. I am for the petitioner. in-
16,
Yes, lords.
yes,
Petition, my lord.
on the prayer of Mr. R.K. Talukdar, Learned Counsel for the petition, list this matter after 3 weeks.
There is an interim order to.
Interim
continue.
order passed earlier shall continue.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 21, Lordship.
Hmm.
I have already taken the consent from the other side, Lordship. This matter may be come up after Bihu vacation, Lordship.
You are for?
I am for the petitioner, Lordship, on behalf of Mr. S. Samari.
On the consent of Learned
Other
Counsel for the respondent,
Yes, Lord.
Mr.
M. Zaman, Lordship. On behalf of Mr. S. Samari, Lord.
No. On the consent of the Learned Counsel for the respondents, Mr. M. General. Press for listing of the matter after 3 weeks. Praise the Lord, list after 3 weeks.
Interim order is there, Lord.
Interim order pass shall continue.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
May I please, your lordship? I beg to mention item number 23 and 24. I need 2 weeks' time to file my reply against the objection.
On the prayer of Mr.
J. Dekar.
J. Dekar, Learned Counsel for the petitioners. List this matter after 3 weeks so as to enable him to file affidavit in reply.
Interim may be continued.
Interim order passed earlier shall continue.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 48. Well, this matter may come up after the vacation, your lordship. There's some personal difficulty.
48.
48. Lord.
Yes, on the prayer of so and so, Learned Counsel for the list this matter after 3 weeks.
Okay. Lord, there's an interim. It will be.
Interim order passed earlier shall continue.
Deep, Lord.
Please, your lordship.
Yes.
My lord, pertains, my lord, grant of an IMFL off shop, my lord. There was a tender process, my lord. I was the highest bidder. I have been granted the license, my lord.
Yes.
Lordship finds it at page 58.
58. Yes. Letter of acceptance.
My
Of
bid has been
initial grant.
accepted. 92 lakhs, my lord. Next page, my lord, I have deposited the amount.
Yes.
Now thereafter, my lord, the sanction has also been granted
Hmm.
by the appropriate government. Now, my lord, there was a condition in the tender
Hmm.
which required that an NOC should be issued
Hmm.
from the concerned municipal board. Now, the municipal board has taken a resolution not to grant any NOC.
Yes.
The rules do not contemplate. The rules, excise rules, do not contemplate the issuance of an NOC by the municipality.
But it provides it's a condition of the tender.
It is a condition of the tender.
Then,
It is a condition of the tender.
Then-
Now, without any reasons, without any valid reasons, they have taken a resolution not to give any NOC in their town committee. That is under challenge.
because there is a complaint by the public
Yes, and that there is an inquiry. my lord.
not to establish or open
Yes, yes.
liquor shops.
Lordship will kindly turn to
It's
page
very,
65.
very good ground.
Now, the complaint is to be considered by the deputy commissioner, not by the municipal board, my lord.
But NOC has to be issued by the.
There is nothing in the rules, my lord.
No, it's
That is what
it's
is
a
on the
condition of the
That is the
tender.
condition in the tender, but the sanction has been
You
granted
have
by
not
the government.
challenged the condition that at that point of
I have
time.
not challenged, my lord,
Yes.
because, my lord, the rules contemplate that the license
Yes.
is issued by the government, my lord.
Who is for municipal?
Municipal board notice have to go, Lordship.
Then what about you?
Lordship, the whole inquiry was conducted, Lordship, page 65.
Yes.
By this Inspector of Excise, Your Lordship. If I may read the inquiry report, Your Lordship. It says that with reference to the above, so and so, the fourth paragraph, Lordship.
Second paragraph.
Second paragraph. The petition, it has been mentioned by the complainants that the establishment of IMFL off shop under jurisdiction policy by municipal will affect the social environment adversely. There's a possibility of young youths indulging in consumption of intoxicants as well as affects the family life, chances of students engaging in unsocial activities, etc., which will ultimately affect the creation of valuable human resource. In this respect, I would like to mention that there is no such provision under the Assam Excise Act and rules for consideration of the above mentioned criteria. Now, the next paragraph, it also pertinently mentioned here that among the complainants, only two persons, namely Shri Kamleshwar Das and Shri Amulya Kakote, resides within the 75 meters of the proposed shop number KM3, and other two persons, namely Shri so-and-so, resides within 75 meters proposed shop of KM4, which is conformity as per Rule 295(3) of the Assam Excise Rules. Here we are concerned about KM3. Now the next paragraph. In view of the above, I'd like to inform you that ground of complaints such as a disturbance social environment does not adhere to any rules of Assam Excise 2016. And in respect of distance constraint, the complainants who reside within stipulated 75 meters should not be considered as the advertisement has been published in the newspaper, the Assam Tribune of Assam, so and so on, dated 20 December 2023 for information of the general public about the open tender to grant IMFL off shop in the said location. Also, the tender for the grant of IMFL off shops were published in the Assam Tribune, Assam tender portals in the month of December 2023, and the whole process of opening of tender evaluation and field level inquiry conducted has been completed within the month of February 2024. As there has been no complaint received during these periods, so objections raised by the complainant seems to be unreasonable, as the complainants have received as the complaints have been received the month of March 2024. Also, Rule 281 Assam Excise Rule 2016 says that the license shall be granted for any area to meet an ascertained demand or to contract supply of intoxicant through illicit sources. As there are no IMFL off shop within radius of 3 to 4 kilometers from the proposed site, granting of same will cater for needs as well as a contributing to the government exchequer. Also, Rule 279 of the Assam Excise Rule says that the license of IMFL shop shall be granted in large industrial and business centers or in urban areas where there is a class of consumers accustomed to drinking liquor. So, grant of IMFL off shop shop will certainly fulfill this criteria, as the proposed is already in urban area having industries such as cement plants, keepers, Ajanta Pharma, so and so. In view of our circumstances, the complaints are beyond the reasonable ground, also may contain malice or ulterior motive, and hence the complaint should not be considered if the higher authority pleases. Now, the residents have made a complaint to the municipality board. Now, municipality board passed a resolution for not granting NOC. Here, the issue is that complaints are to be made before the authorities, Your Lordship.
DC.
The DC. The DC will give them a proper hearing, and thereafter his pass a speaking order, whether these complaints are genuine or not.
It's okay, but problem is public it will affect the liquor, it will affect the public health.
Well, in that case, my lord, all liquor shops will have to be closed down, my lord.
No, it's not that.
Because Lordship will kindly come to 289. What are the grounds on which the liquor shop can be, I mean, stopped, my lord. 289 excise rules,
Anyway, I will issue notice.
my lord,
Heard Mr.
and Decker.
and the learned counsel for the petitioner. The petitioner is agreed by the resolution dated 12/09/2025.
My lord, resolution is dated 9/10, my lord, 12/9, sorry, my lord.
That's it,
Extract
12/9,
is 12.
yes.
Sorry.
Page
Yes,
60,
page 63.
63,
Resolution is dated 12/9.
12/9/20. No, 9/10.
That is the extract, my lord. The resolution is dated 12/9. Extract of the resolution 9, meeting held on 12/9.
12/9/2024. Which has been published on 09/10/2024 by the Pallasbury Municipal Board, Kamrup, wherein it has been decided not to grant no objection certificate to all the members and not to grant no objection certificate for opening of liquor shops in the municipal area.
Municipal.
List of the petitioner was granted, where is that?
Page 58.
Page?
my lord. Page 58. And 62.
No, where it is your.
The
grant-
LOA, my lord, 58.
Yes,
58.
granted. IMF retail off license, huh?
Yes.
IMFL, huh? Indian made foreign liquor retail off within apostrophe, huh? OFF license at KAM 3 Pallasbury Bazaar. Pursuant to the that advertisement,
Tender.
pursuant to the tender dated
21/12/2023. my lord.
21/12/2023 by LO letter of action LOA dated 01/03/2024. As per the terms of the, as per the condition of the tender, no objection certificate is to be obtained from the
Municipal.
municipal board, Pallasbury Municipal Board. However, due to complaint raised by some persons of the Pallasbury municipal area, the Pallasbury Municipal Board has taken a resolution not to grant any NOC to the petitioner. Mr. Next, it is the contention of the petitioner that although for obtaining NOC is one of the condition of the tender, there is no requirement of submission of requirement of obtaining of the submission of NOC from the municipal board. under the applicable, under the relevant rules,
Assam Excise Rules 2016.
particularly Assam Excise Rules
2016.
2016.
16.
2016. List of it is further contended that the decision, the resolution of not, resolution not to grant NOC to the petitioner is contrary to the aforesaid rule, more so on inquiry by the competent authority, the Inspector of Excise, Mirza Circle, Kamrup. It has been clearly mentioned that the complaints made by some persons is not reasonable against the, and is against the provisions of the said rules. List of issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. Since Mr.
R. Gogoi for response number 1.
2399.
R. Gogoi, Land Standing Council, Excise Department enters appearance on behalf of respondent number 1. No formal notice need be served, however, extra copies be furnished to the Land Council for the. Who else are appearing? District Commissioner, Additional Commissioner, then in that case, Mr. R. Gogoi, Land Standing Council, Excise Department, and Mr. M. Chetia, Land State Council. Enters
20.
appearance and accept notice on behalf of respondent 1, 2, and 3. No formal notice, however, extra copies. Then counsel for the petitioners to take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 4 and 5 by registered post so and so, as well as this email. Mail also. Registered post so and so.
Registered post or speed post, my lord?
Registered post as well as
Nowadays it is, I think, speed
speed
post.
post. Registered post as well as
No,
speed
my lord,
post.
only speed post. Speed post.
Register speed post,
Published.
Yes. Right.
This is regarding mediation, my lord. We have challenged the order passed by the ASO and the Assam Board of Revenue, my lord. Before going through the, my lord, impugn order, my lord, kindly come to page 19 of the judgment. Actual fact is, my lord, the petitioner has filed title suit against two mothers for partition of the land. My lord. Accordingly, my lord, by judgment and decree dated 23/12/2008, 1987, whereby the learned trial court held that the petitioner number 1 and 2 here will get, my lord, 7/16 share, 7/16 share, and mother will get 1/16, 1/16, my lord, my
What
lord.
is the impugn order?
My lord, come to page 35.
Very simple, Lordship. Hearing on respond number 6 and 7, Lordship, the mediation has granted Lordship on the basis of the High Court order.
No.
Technical says, Lordship, the salary valid shall. They have challenged the cancellation of the salary, Lordship, in the title suit in the year of 1983, Lordship.
Where is the impugn order? Let us see.
My lord, come to page 35.
And
Impugn
even though
order.
it not challenge the Supreme Court,
My
Lordship.
lord, this
The
is the,
preliminary decree which is finalized by the second appeal, Lordship. Second appeal says the salary valid shall. This is enough, Lordship. They did not challenge the result of the Supreme Court, Lordship. This writ petition is not maintainable, Lordship.
And the execution should is
Where
pending.
is the impugn order?
My lord, first come to page 35.
What is to phase
This is
35?
the judgment passed by the trial court in the.
We are not concerned. I have heard.
Yes, my lord.
It's a writ petition. We'll see that. I am asking, where is the impugn order?
Impugn order page 42, Lordship. In my affidavit, Lordship. First
Lord.
affidavit. And
Less
Fine,
than
fine,
until
fine.
my lord, the partition is.
I have understood, sir. I have read your brief. I
Yes, my
just
lord.
wanted to see.
117 in the impugn order. They are filed in channel. 117.
First impugn order,
Writ petition.
my lord, page 100.
They have challenged the revenue board order, Lordship. So that part as the reflected
Please.
117.
Please,
Yes.
take your seat.
100, page 100, my lord.
What is this 100? There's so many.
This is
Yes.
this is the letter issued by the ASO Hubri, my lord, to the ASO Bileshwar, my lord. I am reading, my lord, subject correction of records,
110. 100.
100,
Huh.
my lord.
You are challenging this.
12/5/2015.
Hmm.
Subject correction of record. Your letter number 27/4/2016. My lord. Actually, my lord, it ought to have, my lord, 12/5/2016. But in the letter written, my lord, 12/5/2015.
We don't know.
Yes, my lord, because in the reference letter, my lord, written 27/4/2016. I am reading, my lord. I have carefully gone through the report and CITA record, both mule and draft. Also perused the order of Honorable High Court in second appeal. This is very important, my lord. 101/95. As per mule CITA record, it reveals that the name of Dilip Kumar Das, Deepak Kumar Das, son of Dinesh Somro Das, are recorded in place of Halima Bewa and Rukia Bewa. Those two persons are mother of the petitioner, my lord. Wife of Dabiruddin Bepari in respect of 10 Lesa covered by DAC number 140, Patta number 78 of village Surchakata, Devoto non-agree. But as per draft CITA record, it is found that names of Dilip Kumar Das and Deepak Kumar Das were deleted and the name of Halima Bewa and others were restored. Under the above facts and circumstances, you are hereby asked to restore the name of Dilip Kumar Das and Deepak Kumar Das, son of Dinesh Chandra Das, as earlier on the basis of possession, registered sale deed 302 so and so, as well as per the Honorable High Court in draft CITA record.
Hmm.
Then, my lord, come to 101 of the second appeal order, my lord. Second appeal order.
10?
Second appeal order, my lord.
10?
Case number, my lord, 101.
Page number, page.
My lord, page number 78. Page 78.
Hmm.
Second appeal number 101/95.
80.
Yes, my lord, 78. In the bottom, judgment and order, heart so and so, my lord. Then paragraph 2, this second appeal is disposed of with the direction that the sale made by the widow in favor of the respondent in this appeal is a valid sale. As the widow when sold their property did not exceed their share. Whether the respondents, my lord,
Das.
yes, Das is the respondent.
Das is.
Yes, whether the respondent shall get that property in partition or not, that will be subject matter of the partition suit. And the partition suit is pending till date, my lord. They may get the property in the partition suit by paying necessary compensation that may be determined by the partition court.
Heard Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner and also heard Mr. So-and-so.
And one more thing.
Admit list for hearing after 3 weeks.
I may allow only for 1 minute. Only for one.
We'll hear.
Hearing
take
this-
time.
in this case, Lordship, so the second appeal is clearly defined pursuant to preliminary. Preliminary which is finalized by the second appeal. Second appeal says.
It is
that the-
subject to partition suit, it is, which
Yes, my lord.
is said to be
And
pending.
my lord, subject.
So you cannot change this. You cannot change this.
And for a moment, my lord. one
Anyway,
order may be
anyway, we'll hear it.
My lord.
After vacation, lordship.
Admit, list for hearing after 3 weeks.
Then, my lord, I pray one thing, my lord, one CRP is filed by the respondent, my lord, against the order passed by the execution court, whereby,
We'll see.
Yes,
We'll all
my
see. What is the relevancy?
relevancy because, my lord, because of that CRP, my lord, the execution suit is stayed by the learned execution.
You pursue
court.
that. You pursue that.
My
You
lord.
pursue that separately.
Finalized by the second appeal. No challenge the Supreme Court, lordship. Shall it value itself? This is enough, lordship. The Supreme Court held itself as lordship.
Yes, next.
Obliged.
Well, here I am appearing for respondent number 4, 5 and 6,
Yes.
APGCL, Malan. So I have received an affidavit containing joint inspection report filed by the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council.
Hmm.
No, I pray for 3 weeks' time to
Hmm.
have my instruction in that joint verification report.
Issue is whether the section 24 would be applicable or not.
Amount we have to pay.
Hmm.
The compensation amount the APGCL has to pay. And at one point of time,
It's a quantum only.
quantum only. And the affected
And,
person.
for that, whether the section 24 of Lara Act would be applicable or not. Once it is applicable, we will have to pay.
The joint verification report, it contains 200 and 200
There was
and
no
odd people.
award as such. There was just an assessment, which is happening all over, some part of the Assam and the entire Northeast state. They don't follow the rules. The act, provisions of the act. They know that the law is there, but then they go for shortcut. And the gullible people, landowners, being influenced by the officers, they just succumb and suddenly one fine morning they realize that no, there is a law that I should get more money. So that's the litigation has been,
Now the project affected persons.
and
number has been
in
increasing.
fact, we don't expect this in a state like Assam, who's the big brother of all other northeastern states.
So Malad, I need some instruction in the joint verification report.
Yes.
Because now the amount has. they have
I think
indicated some-
prima facie, I think section 224 will apply. You take instruction because except for assessment, before coming into force of this 2013 Act, there's nothing, no award, nothing.
In this case, the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, they have fixed the land rate.
Hmm.
And whatever the project affected area, persons, they have assessed and given us the amount now in the joint verification report.
Hmm.
But in the report, Malad, my instruction is that telephonic instruction is that our people were not called.
Hmm.
So let me have the written instruction because it has to be in presence of all the affected, because we have to pay.
Because it's land once it is acquired. You see the people,
Definitely. Malad. Let me take the instruction. Kindly give me 3 weeks time.
we always believe that the landowners should not be, unnecessary harassed or made to suffer.
A project of public
Yes.
importance. These are power projects, Malad. Let me keep after 3 weeks, Malad. I'll have the instruction. Malad.
Heard Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the petition. Mr. Dina learned counsel appearing on behalf of learning counsel for the respondent APIGCL. APGCL submits that phrase for some time so as to enable him to obtain instructions as
Submitted by the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council.
as the joint verification report submitted by the Karbi Anglong KAC request to be clarified in as much as in view of the fact that the respondent FEGCL was not party to the said verification report. Mr. Praise the Lord. List this matter after 3 weeks.
My lord, a date may be,
Huh?
a date may be fixed, my lord. A date may be fixed. my lord.
Let it come in the February, Malord, in the first week of
February.
February.
On
Obliged.
Made clear.
yes.
So these read petition, I am appearing in Act number 4, 5 and 6 below. These three read petitions were filed apart from others on the ground that the assessment proceeding which was undertaken by the assessing officer is barred by limitation. Your lordship is aware, there are catena of judgments. If a special statute prescribes any limitation, then the assessment or anything is prescribed that has to be completed within the time prescribed. Here is a case, my lord. In all these three cases, the assessment proceeding was undertaken and it was completed after the expiry of the limitation. So
I
this
think
is, the-
there is a judgment by this court also.
yes, my lord, there are judgments,
By this court also.
not seen me. And the second,
Yes, Mr.
Yes, your lordship, in item number 4,
Ah.
the petition has filed an amended writ petition, so
Ah.
we'll file a reply on that.
What amendment? What amendment?
date was already allowed by December court on 17/11/2025, my lord. And that was nothing but the continuation of the earlier writ petition, only some facts were added, my lord. Subsequent developments were added. And
Anyway, they are entitled to respond to that.
5 years, they have not filed any affidavit till date.
No affidavit.
No, me.
Anyway, but since you have, although this court has allowed the amendment, but then since you have
I have no
amended the petition, we'll grant them sometime. Heard, Mr.
SK Kejriwal.
SK Kejriwal, learned counsel for petitioners in WPC
4, 5 and 6, item number 4,
4,
5
5
and
and
6.
6, you check it. And Mr.
And more in item number 7.
Item number
I
7.
have a small clear doubt.
Please
The
tell.
item number 7. The item number 7 may be untagged from the other matter. Because
Why?
it is, because this matter was tagged because APDCL has filed IA for vacation of the interim order, where similar grounds here were taken in all the.
But the issues are similar.
No, in that IA for vacation of.
Whether its issues are similar or not.
No, issues are different. Issues are different.
The issues may be different, my lord. The reason for
We'll
the,
keep it, we'll see. Because we are not taking any decision today. On next date, we'll see.
that can be segregated. Because his petition may be segregated.
Because it is totally different. Dates are different. The cause of action is different.
But the issue,
No, issue is also different.
Okay.
Like in the
then
other,
in that case, you say 4, 5, 6, huh? Heard Mr. Kejriwal learned counsel for the petitioners. Please stop. Then Mr. C. Paul for learned standing counsel.
KP Pathak, appearing on
Appearing on behalf of Mr. KP Pathak, learned standing counsel, APDCL. DCL or C? APDCL submits that in view of the amendment filed by the petitioner in respect of
In item number 4,
in WPC item number 4, huh?
2941 of
So and so,
2020.
so. Comma. The APDCL would like to respond to the same. huh? Therefore, first for listing of the matter after 3 weeks, Mr. Prayer for the prayer of the and council for the APDCL is allowed, list of the respondents to file their counter affidavits on or before the next date. On or before the next date of listing. Mr.
M.
So and so, learned counsel for the petitioner in items 7, submits that writ petition which has been tagged along with 294 WPC 1 of 2021 and others are not analogous method, therefore phrase for segregation of this place. Considering the submissions, let this writ petition be segregated from the writ petitions being WPC 2941 of 2021 and others. As spread for list the matter after 3 weeks.
Lordship,
Have you filed the affidavit here?
No.
You filed it?
Lordship.
In the meantime,
item-
to ensure learned counsel for the petitioner. The respondents may file their response.
This item number 7, 3 more writ petition of the same petitioner pertaining to same grounds are
List along with
along with WPC number 2107/20
2107
oblique 20,
20
5392/20
5392
oblique 20
20
and 5427/20.
5427 20. You just keep because it
It can
should
be
not be.
listed after 10th of February. My senior will not be available because.
3 weeks, we say 3 weeks. Let them file affidavit also. All right.
Okay.
Item 8.
Yes.
My lord, I taken first, my lord.
Hmm?
My lord,
IA is for what?
for impeding, my lord.
Okay.
My lord, here is a case, my lord.
Whom you would like to implead?
Page number 4, my lord. The state level committee, Northeast Development Finance
State
Corporation,
level committee.
my lord. Then Northeast Development Finance Corporation and Director Ministry of Commerce. My lord, as per the transfer subsidy scheme, they will be the disbursing authority. But
You are seeking what?
transport subsidy scheme, my lord. But
These are the disbursing authorities.
disbursing authority.
Okay.
But,
Heard, Mr.
but admittedly, they have not been met party.
Yes, yes.
This is
Well, you are for
I am for the
state.
in the state matter, industry and commerce matter, and net fee has been sought to be implemented matter. Notice to go matter.
notice.
No, first we'll implead, then only notice will go. Huh? All right. Heard, Mr.
R.K. Agrawal.
R.K. Agarwal, learned counsel for the applicants. You are a party here? No. You are also party here.
Earlier.
IA. For?
I am my
My main petition there about.
main petition we are party.
In
I
I-
am not party.
Decision application. Praying for implement of the
Opposite party number 1, 2 and 3.
opposite party number 1, 2 and 3. Namely, you just take this page 4, 1, 2 and 3, so and so. As party respondents on the ground that the parties sought to be implemented are the
The same
disbursing authorities under
Under transport subsidy scheme.
transport subsidy scheme. List of next para. The petitioners have this is connected writ in the connected writ petition, being WPC 5078 of 2021. The applicants have filed the writ petition, filed the connected writ petition, above connected writ petition, seeking transport subsidy
Transport-
under what scheme?
Under transport subsidy scheme 1971.
Under transport subsidy scheme
1971.
1971. Being the who are you? Being the manufacturer of ALUM, within bracket, peric and non-peric, within bracket, required for industrial uses like water treatment, plant, manufacture of papers and other industrial uses. This stuff. Mr. R.K. Agarwal, Learned Counsel for the petition applicants submits that the parties herein parties sought to be implemented herein. And then the applicants oblique petitioner have inadvertently failed to add the parties herein as party respondent in the connected writ petition to the parties sought to be implemented herein. Who are the disbursing authority. So therefore, the respondents sought to be implemented a necessary party for appropriate adjudication of the connected writ petition. And as such, the opposite parties may be allowed to be implemented as respondent number
5, 6, and 7.
5, 6, and 7 as in the connected writ petition. Having considered that the petitioner, the parties, the opposite parties sought to be implemented, appears to be a necessity party for the reason that they are the disbursing authority under the
Transport services.
Transport Subsidy Scheme
1970.
1971, under which the applicants oblique petitioner is seeking the said subsidy, which is pending consideration for this court in the said writ petition, comma. I'm of the considered view that the opposite party would be a necessary party. Accordingly, the opposite parties, namely so and so and so and so, are allowed to be implemented as party respondent number 4, 5, 6, and 7
6 and 7.
in the connected writ petition, connected WPC 5078 of 2020.
My lord,
IA
I have
stands
a
allowed to
prayer in
was
case
not-
of the main petition, my lord. I have a small prayer in case of main petition, my lord.
Yes, wait. In
there
view
are
of the
some-
order passed in so and so so in main petition, the petitioners are directed, petitioners to file amended course title. The registry to incorporate the name of the newly implemented respondents as respondent number 5, 6, and 7. Therefore, notice be issued to the newly implemented respondents, returning within 4 weeks.
My lord, there are small mistakes.
Petitioners to take steps for service of
Allowed to be
notice
corrected.
upon so and so so and so.
There are small mistakes in the main writ petition. We may be allowed to correct it by hand.
Nowadays, it's not possible. You file an application. This is the
Obliged.
matter after 4 weeks.
This matter, may I pray that this will be taken up after the vacation, Lordship?
Why?
Not prepared fully today, Lordship. Do not fully prepare this matter. today.
What is the matter?
It, our allegation is that our Patta land has been, encroached upon by the state authorities while building a dam, Lordship, and without paying any compensation to us, Lordship. That is our primary allegation.
Where is the provision for compensation? Is there any provision?
They have
My
to
lord.
acquire the land, Lordship.
In fact, my lord,
we filed an affidavit also, my lord, stating that his allegation is baseless, my lord. No land as such acquired by the authority for the purpose of construction of the embankment, my lord. Embankment.
No land is required.
No land, because it's existing on the existing, my lord.
It's for construction of embankment.
Already there was an
Embankment.
embankment, and it for the strengthening the embankment, a scheme was implemented, my lord.
So,
Lordship, we have filed a reply. The scheme says it is for shifting of the embankment, shifting and
how can
widening
the
the embankment.
embankment be shifted?
It says so, Lordship. I have filed the scheme is, I have annexed it, Lordship, at page number 122.
Shifting in the sense that this embankment will be taken out and it will be shifted somewhere else.
Actually, Lordship, the river had breached the embankment and caused a lot of erosion. So one side, half of the embankment
So
is
scheme
gone.
is for embankment is good for you.
No, but
You are not living on the embankment.
I am living right beside the embankment.
So it's good
They have
for you.
shifted
It's
the
for
embankment to our
for your
land.
protection only.
But they have to acquire the landlord.
No. Why?
No, if there is
It's
a
for your
construct-
protection. What is the requirement of acquisition?
it's a public purpose that they are using it for, Lordship. So if they're taking our land, Lordship, then it has to be acquired, Lordship. That is the law.
So your patta, then in that case, you will direct them to cancel your patta.
Anyway, Lordship, may
How
please-
many persons are here?
2 persons, Lordship. Pattadar.
Will direct them to cancel your patta. You settle somewhere else.
Even
It's a larger public interest. Embankment is for, I mean, in a state like Assam, I mean, you know the situation. Sometimes we have to be practical also.
after the Bihu, I'll fully prepare myself.
Nothing, there is nothing. For dismissal. Heard, Mister?
As the
On the prayer of Mr. S.
Lordship. On behalf of
As
Mr.
the
Asbord.
land council. You are not, your name is not there.
Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of Mr. Asbord.
Appearing on behalf of Mr. S. Borthakur, land council for the petitioners. That this matter be listed
It will be
after
after the Bihu.
after 4 weeks for dismissal. Mr. Additional Advocate General, N. Goswami.
P. Goswami.
Huh?
I'm B. Goswami.
Sorry, P. Goswami. And Additional Advocate General and MS so-and-so, Deka, land standing on water resource permit are present without, with the consent for adjournment.
Much obliged, Lord.
By consenting the adjournment. I pray for adjournment. Huh?
Item 10.
May I please?
Yes.
Matter of 2022, my lord.
What is the matter?
Regarding matter of non-compliance of the direction issued by the my lord, Deputy Commissioner. Page 32 is the order, my lord. So, Lordship may fix it, my lord, immediately after reopening, my lord. Page 32. They have collected revenue. They have collected revenue. Settlement was given in favor of me, but they have not given the area. They have
Obtain instruction, what's there? Heard Mr. So-and-so, land council for the place. JMA Chaudhary.
Lordship.
Land council for the. Considering the nature of the grievance, simple nature of the grievance raised in this writ petition, Mr.
M. Setyam.
M. Chetty, Land State Council, to obtain instruction. This after 4 weeks. 3 weeks.
3 weeks, my lord.
Just obtain what's there. What action you have taken?
Lordship may fix a date because today the date was fixed for obtaining instruction on their, my lord, submission.
Then you further, huh? Please. No, to obtain instruction. Huh? It's okay.
Item 11.
May I please, Lordship.
Yes.
My lord, instruction awaited, Lordship.
Yes. What instruction? Copy of instruction received by SS Roy, Learned State Council Port, be furnished to MS B. Buya, Learned Senior Council BTC. In the meantime, BTC authority may respond. What is this? Whom you are appearing for?
Appearing for the BTC, Lordship, respondent number 2 and 4, Lordship.
Yes.
Supposed to file our affidavit, Lordship.
So why you are not filing? Instruction is supposed to be furnished to you, your senior.
Vacation, we'll file our.
What vacation? In fact, before that, earlier than the last occasion, they were supposed to pass in orders for personal appearance of the circle. Who is for circle officer?
Initially, my lord, on 28, 25, my lord, the
Ah.
PC authorities were not present.
Ah.
So nobody has produced the instruction, my lord. On that
Now-
account, we have to take the burden, my lord, and some instruction we have received, but circle officer is.
Instruction by whom? SS Roy received. Have you furnished to him?
Today
Then-
itself I will file him and he may file the response, my lord, because circle officer.
The
is,
circle,
represented
the
by
instruction is
BTC
from the
authority.
circle officer.
No, BTC authority, he has to represent the circle officer, my lord. So affidavit will be filed by him. I'll hand over the circle,
It has to be very casual.
because on their absence, we have to take the burden, my lord, last opinion.
What accommodation, Lordship? We'll file our affidavit, Lordship.
Heard Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner. Despite repeated orders by this court, the BTC authorities appears to be casual in their approach in appearing in this matter, which this court express its displeasure. However, considering that the submissions of Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel appearing on behalf of MS B. Buya, learned senior counsel for BTC, a last chance is granted to take steps as observed by this court in the earlier occasions. Kindly have this order and reflect yourself. 4 weeks. Yes.
Lordship, in the instant for petition, Lordship, the respondent number 3 has filed an affidavit in opposition.
Yes.
I need to file a response, my lord. I need 1 week time, my lord.
On the prayer of Mr.
Dr.
M. Datta, learned counsel for the petitioner, 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit in reply to the affidavit of opposition filed by the respondent number
3.
3. Mr. I. Bortako, learned standing counsel, PHE, Forest Department is present.
The interim order passed earlier.
Interim order passed earlier, so continue.
Can Lordship.
Yes.
Pursuant to the direction instruction received, an affidavit is prepared, is sent for swearing, Lordship. We have
What
not
is
yet-
the instruction?
that we have been directed to put it on record by way of an affidavit. Lordship.
No. What is your instruction?
The instruction is that, Lordship, this is the instruction. May I place it before Lordship?
Tell us.
That land was allotted to Besamari SS Limited, Vide order number so and so dated 6/4/84 and number 1/85 dated 2/1/85. And the allotted land is recorded as Dag number 734 in handwritten Sita. However, the Besamari SS Limited has not applied for converting the land to periodic patta. Hence, the land is still a government land as per records. In this regard, report received from the circle officer, Ding Revenue Circle is enclosed. This is the circle officer's report.
Yes, mister?
Yes, my lord. Lordship, Lordship, so for the affidavit filed by the respondent number 2, Lordship, come to annexure 1, page 35. The Sita they have annexed, whereas Besamari Samabaya Samiti's name has been shown.
Who are you?
But I am,
Member of this
No,
SS Limited.
No, my lord, government issued eviction notice.
Yes.
Against me.
Yes.
I mean,
This is a government land.
no, that kindly appreciated. The land was government land earlier. After,
It was allotted to the
Yes.
Besamari.
yes.
What they are saying, have you heard what he said? It was allotted, but they have never asked for conversion. So still it remains as a government land
No, but.
until it is completed.
Yes, kindly appreciate your lordship. Page 35A shown the Sita, your lordship. And the Sita, there.
What is your right over the land?
Right, no, so government can't evict me
Who are you? That's why I'm asking.
because the Besamari Community's land was no longer a government land right now.
No. What they are saying, have you heard what he has said?
Yes, I have heard.
What he has said?
The allotment was done.
Huh.
After this.
But it has not been converted. They have not asked for conversion.
No, my lord.
So
Kindly-
it's an incomplete allotment.
No, my lord. The Sita already.
No, what they are saying? What do you say on that?
No, they said that allotment.
No,
was
that
done.
it's okay. It's to the Bechamari, what is it? Bechamari SS Limited.
Yes.
Who are you? Are you member of or is it your
I was.
society?
Government issued notice for eviction. I am encroacher, according to them, encroacher of Besamari Community's land.
Yes.
And that land, according to them, the government.
So what is your right?
No.
See, assuming that it has been allotted to Bechamari SS Limited,
Yes.
what is your right?
I want to say, my lord, that land is no longer a government land right now.
No, forget about it. What is your right?
No,
Suppose,
yes.
assuming that,
Yes.
for a time being, we'll accept that.
Yes,
This has
I
been
comprehend.
allotted to Bechamari SS Limited. Then, what is your right?
I am encroaching a private land.
No, that has not been completed. The allotment is not been completed.
No, Sita has already shown their name.
Doesn't matter.
that is
It
the-
has,
that is the
they
settlement.
said it's not a conversion. But facts remain is what is your right?
No, I am now encroaching a private land, your
No.
lordship, so they must go to the civil suit.
Will you file the affidavit, but you don't have any right. What is your right? You are admitting that you have encroached the private land.
Yes,
Huh?
private land. So
According to them,
Private
it's not a private land. It was allotted, but the allotment is not complete because it has not been converted. Because they have not sought for conversion. They say it's an incomplete allotment. Therefore, it cannot be legally said to be a private land. It still remains with the government.
but Sita already they have annexed.
Doesn't
Lordship.
matter.
Their name has already been shown.
So,
So their
let them-
title interest has already been
see,
created.
they'll come if they are aggrieved. But why? Why? What is your right?
Then let him file in.
What is your right?
According to.
Are you
the-
admitting you are an encroacher?
Yes.
Okay, then better ends there. We'll dispose it of.
No, my lord, kindly appreciate my lord. If I am encroaching, then I am encroaching a private land.
So?
Then if it is so, then they should file a.
No,
civil
they
suit.
say that
It's a
it's
civil
not
suit
been,
to decide.
no, this has been allotted, but the allotment is not complete. Therefore, legally, it's not a valid allotment. So it remains with the government.
But my lord, kindly appreciate the Sita has already shown their,
So-
our Somiti's land.
Who you are to say? You are not claiming that the lands belong to you.
No.
Ultimately, you are the encroacher,
That-
whether
that-
private or government.
That will be decided by the civil court.
Who?
Civil court, your lordship.
No.
Civil court. If I am encroaching a private land.
No,
that will
no.
be decided by civil.
You
court.
establish that it's not a government, it's a private land. You say that it has been completely, fully, validly transferred and, allotted.
Let him clarify.
They have
that.
clarified in the instruction.
So far Sita is concerned, so far
You are a third
I-
party encroacher. You have no right at all.
I would say, lordship, Sita has already shown that their name has already.
So what? In
So
your
that-
name,
That is.
in
that
your
is-
name.
No,
Then?
that is in Besamari Somiti's land. That is the private land actually.
So
That was. That's why it is so.
just showing it as Sita will
Civil
not
court will
do.
decide.
Sir, first you establish that you have a right, it's a private land of yours. Is it your private land?
Now, if it is a private land, then court, civil court will decide who.
So,
That is my stand. That is my stand.
and Mr. So-and-so, learn concept only prayer with so-and-so. No, we'll say. The petitioner appears to be an encroacher over the, of the land in question, which alleged to have been allotted to the Bechamari SS Limited.
Landlords, not yet been converted.
According to the instruction, on instruction, Mr. H. Sharma, Learned State Council submits that although the allotment was initially granted to the Bechamari SS Limited, same could not be completed in view of the fact that the Bechamari SS Limited has not approached for a change or transfer, converting the land to periodic patta. Therefore, the allotment is incomplete.
It's still a government land.
Incomplete. And same is not been, therefore, is incomplete. And the land in question is still a government land. Unless it is finally converted. Anyway, Mr. Sharma press for and is granted 2 weeks time to bring on record the instruction received by him via an affidavit. List after 4 weeks.
Deeply obliged.
Item 14, Lordship, yes, Lordship, my learned friend.
Yes.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, kindly pass over the matter for today, lordship. Lordship, my senior is out of station.
Who?
Lordship, they have informed us.
Lordship,
What is the matter?
Lordship, this matter pertains to land compensation, wherein we have received the land and zero compensation, but the structural compensation went to a different person having the same name.
So is it a subject, can it be a subject matter of free jurisdiction?
Lordship, there are orders of this honorable court where they have observed that this compensation is due to us, But the only question is whether the competent authority for land acquisition is going to pay or the private respondent.
Why didn't you approach them? Have you approached them?
Yes, we have approached them, Lordship, but the.
Have you approached them?
Yes, Your Lordship. we
What
have.
they are saying?
Lordship, they have not given, Lordship,
Heard Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the petition on the prayer of Mr. MS C. Talukdar. C. Sharma, learned counsel, learned counsel for appearing on behalf P. Mahanta, learned counsel for respondent number 8. Submits that Mr. Mahanta has some personal inconvenience today, therefore first for listing of the matter after 3 weeks. Praise the Lord, list after so and so, 3 weeks, Mr. J. Henry, State Council, State Council and Mr. C.K. Sharma Barua, C. Barua, sorry. Mr. Learned Training Council, NSDCL, are present,
Lordship kindly fix the case.
Why?
Lordship, there is an urgency in our side as well. Since
What urgency?
Lordship,
You have already received some amount, be happy with
Lordship, we have
that.
only received the land and Zirat compensation. The
It's
structural-
more than enough. What more you want?
Lordship, the structural compensation is due to us.
What kind of structure?
We had 4 Assam type Pakka houses in that land. So the
RCC?
RCC houses, yes.
Assam type is not RCC.
Lordship, Assam type houses we had.
Ah.
We had a file.
What would you, according to what if this cost?
35, Lordship, we have categorically stated in our affidavit the amount that is due to us.
How much?
I'll show you.
Just tell us approximate.
It's 35 lakhs some amount. Whatever.
It's a huge amount.
Yes, sir.
How many Assam type structures?
4, Lordship.
Okay. 3 weeks on so and so, give that.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Obliged, Lordship.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Yes.
The government advocate was to bring on record the report today. The government advocate was to bring on record a report today, my lord, after verification which has been done. We may also be furnished a copy, my lord. Your lordship, this is the last order, 2nd of December.
Yes, report.
What time the report we have not yet received, Lords.
Why?
We have already written a
Nearly a
letter.
month. No, more than a month.
Lordship,
That is true, Lordship.
the
but-
direction was given by the order dated 7/4/2025.
Yes, Lordship, we have also written the letter, Lordship, but we have not received that
Not
report.
Mr. So and so, learned counsel for the petition. Although this court has directed Mr. Sharma, H. Sharma, learned state counsel to have instruction on the report stated to have been filed after the jungle has been cleared and measured, comma. Today, Mr. Sharma, learned counsel again sought for some more days to obtain the instruction, obtain the instruction. That's
My lord will kindly fix the
further
date.
3 weeks time is
My lord will
granted
kindly
to
fix a date, man. I'll be traveling
Mr.
from
Sharma, let state council to obtain instruction as ordered by, as directed by this court on 02/12/2025, List the matter after 3 weeks. 11th.
Very much so.
1970.
My lord, petitioner is seeking certain information on the right to information act, my lord. Right to information act, page 14, the application,
Page 40,
14
41.
1/4, my lord. Some salan copy, allotment copy of
So
PDS item from the private respondent, my lord, proprietor of Themaji RF Mill. And my lord, the commissioner of state information commissioner also directed to furnish the information through the departmental authorities. And they have taken a stand that though we have requesting the authorities for submission of documents from 2011 to 2023, they have taken a stand that they have written only for 5 years document. But as per RTI Act, they have to retain minimum 20 years from the prior to the date of filing of the application. This is the issue, ma'am. They have stated that they have not retained the document as per their affidavit.
So who has to decide that?
My lord, they are bound, my
Is
lord.
it not a commission?
Yes, my lord, because
Is not a subject matter to be adjudicated by the commission?
my lord, commission has already directed, my lord, to furnish the document.
Then
The government authority, government has also filed affidavit stating
Saying what?
that they have repeatedly asked the proprietor of the concerned mill to furnish the document as per their stand. Now the mill has taken a stand that from 2011 to 2023, they cannot provide the document. Only they can provide a part document because they have retained only 5 years document.
So what is the appropriate,
My lord, dear, as per law, my lord,
what is the appropriate course of action
my lord,
in such a
direction,
situation?
my lord, direction may be issued, my lord, because
How do we jump in?
that is the issue, my lord, because
How do we jump in? The
well,
report,
there is no explanation, my lord. The authorities, the agency has no explanation as to why
you
they have,
approach the commission,
we have already approached the commission.
they have directed, they are saying so, you cannot give this. You approach the commission again.
My lord, commission again and again requested the authorities, my lord, to furnish the document, my lord.
So how do we intervene? What is our jurisdiction?
My lord, directed, in lordship may direct the authorities.
It's not simply direct, I mean, it's not,
I know.
cannot. In certain areas we have though it's a rich jurisdiction, certain areas were limited. Our heads are also tight.
My lord, departmental authorities may take action against the concerned mill, my lord.
Up to them.
That direction may be issued.
No, we cannot. Unless it's a completely within our jurisdiction.
But I have a right to know the information, my lord.
Huh?
I have a right to,
That's why there's a forum. Commission is there. Why don't you approach the commission?
commission also directed to furnish the document.
So
Only the concerned mill has not furnished.
then in that case, if they are not furnishing, what is the next course of action?
My lord, commissioner will take action, my lord, against.
So you approach them. Why you are approaching us?
The departmental authority will take action, my lord.
It's up to them. Whatever is there.
Will lordship may.
Suppose the commission direct them to furnish the authority to furnish the document information.
Yes,
If they don't do it,
partly,
if they don't do it, if they evade it, whatever, what is the course of action? Not the jurisdiction.
the departmental authority will clarify, my lord, what will.
Not
take-
clarification, not request. You are aggrieved by non-furnishing,
Yes,
despite order of the commission.
yes, my lord.
So
Court's order,
what is the consequences under the act?
under the act, my lord, there is.
Penalty. You approach the commission. Sorry,
Lordship may direct, my lord.
we cannot direct.
Let it come after vacation, my lord.
No.
After instruction. Because.
See, what is your prayer?
To furnish the document.
Furnish the documents
Yes, my lord.
as directed by commission.
Yes,
So they are not furnishing it.
they have not furnished.
So whom you have to approach?
While therefore,
Why not post office
my lord, I approach. this
or the
honorable
executing court of the
court to direct
commission?
the departmental authorities.
Sir, have you gone through the provisions of the law, RTI Act? If the commission has directed to furnish documents, if they fail to do it, what will the consequences? You approach the commission, we'll give you a liberty. All right?
Let it come, my lord, on the.
No.
Reopening,
We cannot unnecessarily keep it like this.
reopening that much.
No. Mr. Sharma, try to understand.
Yeah, I know, my lord.
You are handy with the law with yourself.
Because their stand is totally wrong, my lord.
Why not why wrong or right, why not?
They have stated that.
Is it your case that the commission has directed them to furnish information,
Even,
documents?
even departmental
They-
authorities also directed,
But then they are not furnishing.
not furnished.
Then what is the consequences under the law?
But there is no such provision.
Therefore, this will be a wrong message will go that the High Court is acting like a post office and then the executing court of the commission, learned commission.
I have obtained instruction, my lord. Let it come.
No instruction is required.
They have that.
You withdraw the writ petition, will give you a liberty to approach the appropriate forum. That's all.
Day after tomorrow, my lord.
Huh?
Day after tomorrow then.
Day after tomorrow, we may. Day after tomorrow.
I'll obtain instruction from my client.
Not
Yes.
you inform your client.
Yes.
It's not an appropriate way to. I mean, it's not proper to approach the High Court.
Day after.
You advise him.
Yes, I will advise.
On the prayer of so and so, learn counsel for the prisoner, list this matter on 9/01/2026 to I will say just keep it like that.
Yes.
You just advise
I
him.
know, my-
Oblige.
My lord, in this case, the mediation has failed.
Huh.
And after that, this petition has become more of a mercy petition.
Huh.
The people, the petitioners are 35 in number, and they were land license holder given by the railways. And since last 50-60 years, they were catering to the needs of the passengers by serving them food and canteen facilities. Now, the central government wants that their area under the Amrit Bharat station. And to my knowledge, and on the statement of the petitioner, it is around 200 feet in radius where the project will come up, and they are beyond that. So all we were asking us a rehabilitation package before evicting us, because the land license use agreement has been terminated now, again, which we have challenged here. So that is the position, my lord.
Is there any interim order?
Yes, there was one stay order was there. My lord, at least a rehabilitation package like the Abdul Matin Siddiqui's case in the Halwani, my lord, if that can be provided.
May I just point out?
Yes.
If it is a government land, if they are unauthorizedly, illegally occupying some land, or if the land stands in their name, the rehabilitation will come only if the land is in their name. We are taking hold of the land, evicting them. Then rehabilitation, yes. Here is a case where not all the petitioners, I have mentioned in my affidavit, few of them maybe had a license, others did not have a license, and we have categorically denied that. Now we need the land for development of the station. So there cannot be any question of them being rehabilitated by us. There cannot be a question, because as per the terms of the concession that was given to them, they could be evicted. There could be a direction for them to vacate the land.
What is there any regulation or guidelines to, I mean, issue license?
License given.
Land license.
It is as per the license given, and there is a specific condition in the license. Now, they are not the license holders. Although they claim, in my reply, Lordship will see, most of them, even some petitioners, the names which they have mentioned, they are not even there.
Suppose there some of them are having a license, will they be entitled for rehabilitation, even if they have their license?
No.
Not problem.
What under which law, under what scheme or regulation you are claiming rehabilitation?
My lord, the fact is that, my lord, these people.
Number one,
Yes,
you have to identify
yes, my lord,
who are having a license.
yes.
Then we'll have to consider, even if you are having a license, if the petitioner who doesn't have the license, to forget about it. They are not entitled at all. But we'll see, the petitioners having license,
Yes, my
whether they are entitled under which law.
lord. Actually, my lord, these licenses were issued long back. And some of them have died, but if license were. not
According to
transferred.
me, even if your license is issued, it can be always cancelled. There's no question of rehabilitation.
Yes, my lord, that's why I'm saying, my lord, this is a.
Forget
sort of a
about
mercy-
those
mercy
who doesn't
petition.
have the license. Even those who have already been issued, even if license is issued, you are not entitled for any rehabilitation.
That's right.
So
But,
if it is right, matter ends
my
there.
consideration is that they have been catering to the needs of the passengers of the
It's not
railway
right.
station for
It's
a
up
long
to
time.
them. It's
But
their
at least
policy.
some mercy may be shown to them.
No. That they'll show, not by the court.
Yeah, that is what, that is why he went for mediation.
So it failed. So we'll decide legally.
Yes.
The purpose for which we need the land is for
Ah.
development of the station.
Yes,
Once the
yes.
station is developed, they will have their revenues.
Last 50, 60 years, we were catering to their needs. That's
That
can
cannot
we
be
do?
right.
morally, my lord. It may not be constitutionally morally, but socially moral responsibility they have, my lord. Because it's a
Why not?
welfare state, my
We
lord.
cannot be swayed away
Yes.
by morality.
All last 50,
Or
60 years, they
sentiment.
could not cater to those needs. We were catering it.
What can we do?
So that mercy may be shown by them, my lord.
What? Ask them.
It cannot be a totalitarian state, my lord.
Not to us,
It is a
to ask
welfare
them.
state. India
You
is
ask
still a
them, they have
welfare
denied.
state.
What can we do?
Well, at least a direction may be made that they will approach and they will consider
That will be
for a rehabilitation
unnecessary.
package, my lord. They may reject it, my
The
lord.
filing
At
of
least
representation
we'll
is
have
something.
a hearing, my lord.
Huh?
We'll have a hearing with them since.
No, that will be. First, show us what is apart from mercy to it's forget about it.
Yes,
If they are giving, we are not concerned.
because under the land license agreement, they can evict us anytime.
Then
By the efflux of time, my lord, we have also.
No.
you show up some semblance of any documents or the regulation, guidelines, whatever.
Yes,
Show us.
but then this matter may be fixed after vacation, my lord.
Ashif, that this is, we are enjoying a stay at the project is yet to be for more than a year now.
But as per our understanding, that project
It's
is
2
a
years.
radius of 200 feet and we are beyond that, my
That
lord.
is sure nobody. It's them to say.
That is why. I'm
It's
saying, my
their
lord,
it's
at
their
least we'll-
project.
This may.
It's their project, not your project.
Yes, my lord. At least we may be
No,
allowed
as of
to
now, you are
approach.
not able to show anything to, I mean, to substantiate your claim or whatever. I'm saying
Land
that's
license
what
agreement is the.
a
only
semblance of any guidelines.
Yes.
1 line, 2 line, whatever.
Yes,
Is there anything?
no, man.
Then,
I'll be very clear, man. No, it's not there. That's why I'm saying it's a
as
mercy
a,
petition.
sir, as a person, I'm with you.
Yes.
I feel for you,
Yes.
but cannot.
At least observation may be that we are.
Railway is railway.
Yes, man.
You are only a handful of people. Railway is for a larger public.
The last 50, 60 years, we were catering to the
Can't
needs which
help it.
railway could not provide.
Thankful
Now
for
we are
that.
just kicked out, man. Well, I'll leave it to your lordship, my lord.
Dismissed.
Yes, ma'am. We have no other way otherwise.
How many persons are there?
35 petitioners. Because their ancestors were holding that land and the license were renewed in the names of their fathers and that's
Are-
why their names
Are
are.
Mr.
M. Khatonian.
M. Katania, Learned Council for the petitioners, and also heard Mr. So-and-so, Arkadev Chaudhary, Learned Council, Learned Standing Council, Learned Deputy Solicitor General of India, or respondent number 3, 3 and 4,
Respondent number 1.
and so. Then you write, heard Mr. for respondent, and then chronologically. List the matter for further consider, list the matter remains for her. No, the hearing remains inconclusive. List after 2 weeks as part heard. We'll keep it part heard. Let him have some reflection.
Have it on 20th.
4 people.
Lordship will have it on 20th,
20. 20.
no, 21st, Lordship. It will be
21st.
Wednesday.
21. I'm just giving you some,
Liver.
no, that oxygen.
Yes.
I mean, to breathe a space. Sorry.
Yes.
Think
Much
about it.
obliged.
Lordship. Wait, please, Your Lordship. Lordship, may I
Yes.
pass over for a time being this council on legs, Lordship.
Yes. What is the matter?
Matter pertaining to construction of an existing or reconstruction of a road.
Hmm?
Is a matter pertaining to construction of a reconstruction of an existing road.
Hmm.
Where it raised the level by 8 inches, causing floods and inundations in the locality.
Hmm.
I pray for some time to file our reply, affidavit. Lordship.
Affidavit. So no use.
Because
But still,
Lordship, it causes,
you don't want that the road should not be elevated. Raise the height.
elevated and causing, where there was no class.
How can you say so? How can you say so? How do you interfere this? It's a construction of road,
Reconstruction of an existing road.
whatever.
Lordship, let this council, Mr. Enalam appears.
Huh?
Lordship, let Mr. Enalam appears for this matter. He is on legs on port number 5, Lordship.
We'll dismiss this with a
Lordship.
cost.
Lordship, let him appears, Lordship.
Huh?
Pass on for the time being, let him
Oh,
appears.
we'll take it away too.
So, Lordship, after some time,
This
Lordship,
all privilege petition with cost. Tell him. 2 o'clock, we'll take it up.
Lordship, may I please further? In this case, the matter pertains to composite land transfer.
Ah,
This case, my lord, this composite land transfer application was filed on 9/2/2024.
yes, what?
9/2/2024. This application is filed.
Have you filed the affidavit?
Yes. Till date, my lord, and after filing this writ petition, my lord, and during the pendency of writ petition, after 1.5 years, they rejected it without showing any reason. my lord.
Which one?
This, our application, my lord. Now, my lord, even they did not show the reason. The court repeatedly directed to the what is the reason behind to reject it after 1.5 years.
Hmm.
After 1.5 years, although my lord stipulated period was 45 days only.
Lordship,
Hmm.
may I plead your lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, as per the direction of this honorable court, the order was communicated and the instruction has been received yesterday, on 5th, your lordship. So the reason, your lordship, it stated that the petitioner did not submit the required documents, your lordship, which was necessary for the process. Documents submitted by the applicant are not enough. It's stated there, your lordship.
What documents?
The required documents. Your
What are
lordship,
the
which is
required
necessary
documents?
For the NOC.
Have you submitted all those?
I have submitted, my lord.
What are the required documents?
This is the, my lord, sale agreement. This I have annexed before the. lord.
Madam, this is vague.
Exactly, your lordship. Lordship may kindly give 1 week time, your lordship.
You obtain instruction.
Yes, your lordship, the
Personally.
detailed one.
Just
This
on the paper, huh? You personally, because,
This is received on 5th of January, your lordship.
yes, that's why.
My humble
Heard
submission.
Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner. Although No. MS and Bordol Leonard, Standing Council Revenue and Disaster Management Department has placed a copy of the instruction dated 05/01/2026 from the Additional Deputy Commissioner, Sri Bhumi District. Mr. Perusal of the said, perusal of the same indicates the state to be indicates that the petitioner, the application of the petitioner has been rejected due to non-submission of due to insufficient documents, which appears to be vague, stand listed. Accordingly, the MS Bordolo Land Standing Council to obtain instruction. List the matter after 2 weeks. 2 weeks.
A date may fixed, my lord. 21st, my lord.
Just give the date after 2 weeks.
21st of the. Applies.
I'm deeply obliged, Your Lord.
May I please, Your Lordship, in this case, my lord, I have challenged the election of president of respondent number 8. In that case, my lord, the respondent number 4, district commissioner has already filed their affidavit, my lords. And on our complaint, already an inquiry has been conducted. Our limited prayer is that the district commissioner, as per the statute, proceed and concluded after hearing both the side, my lord. An affidavit has already been filed by the district commissioner, my lord.
Election petition is also pending, my lord, regard the disqualification of the respondent number 8.
I could learn about the election petition from there, but that election petition.
That's why, my lord, no steps has been taken.
Can I?
Regard to his disqualification.
Can
But
I-
the inquiry shows that.
Can I submit one thing?
What is the prayer here?
Prayer for disqualification from the post of president, not
No,
from the
if this-
membership,
Huh?
not from the membership. That is a-
See, the issue, the foundation is there already. The foundation of for disqualification as a member, petition for disqualification as a member is pending.
Before the tribunal, my lord.
But here, my prayer, after election, my lord, for the post of president, election has been held. And in that, my lord, election, I was also a participant. And I am only challenging the election of his president, not a member, my lord. So my limited prayer is that, not from the membership, my lord. Because I could not challenge his membership because I am not participated in the election against him in the election, last Panchayat elections. I only, my limited issue is that regarding the office of president, nothing else. That is only my limited.
On what ground?
On the ground that child marriage, and already inquiry has been conducted, and on that inquiry, the deputy commissioner has filed the affidavit, my lord. In that affidavit, it said that.
So that is requirement is what? For disqualification for membership or president?
President.
Where it is?
My lord, it is all prescribed in the rules as well as in the act, my lord. Section 111, my lord.
Of what?
2. If no person shall be elected or co-opted and remained as president and vice president or member of Zilla Parishad Anchalik Parishad or Gram Panchayat in the last, my lord, who either by himself or herself or his or her spouse has violated the legal age of marriage under the Prohibition of Child Marriage Act 2006. So I am only for the president, my lord.
No, not only that, but suppose first you have to be a Gram Panchayat. All right. You have to be member. Then you become a president.
Yes, my lord.
Then the disqualification being a member is
Pending.
pending before the tribunal.
This was filed by the,
That is the foundation. Unless you become a member, you cannot be a president. You are also a member,
yes, I am also a member.
elected member.
Yes, my lord.
So
So
who has filed the disqualification petition?
by the, no, not by me. It was filed by the person who lost the election against the respondent number 8 in the Panchayat election, not by me.
That was challenging the member, my lord.
That is the other, another thing, my lord.
Another thing, first, to become a president, what is the qualification? I
He
mean,
should be elected, my lord.
huh?
He should be elected as a member.
That's what I'm saying. The foundation is the member. All right. The structure is the president.
Madam.
Unless you become a member, you cannot be a president, right?
Madam.
And to whether you are eligible, whether you, entails disqualification under the Act and rules as a member is a matter to be decided by the tribunal.
Regarding the, my lord, child marriage, there is a specific, my lord, statutory provision.
So
Regarding,
that is the requirement for disqualification.
my lord. My lord, it is the DC Deputy Commissioner who can decide, my lord. And on that issue, my lord, already in the election petition, the Deputy Commissioner filed their WS, my lord, objection, where that said that it is not maintainable, the election petition is not maintainable. That is the clear. And now they said, because of election petition, we cannot.
I'm for the respondent number 8. I supposed to file our affidavit, but due to some medical emergency, this matter.
So what I'm saying, why are you getting me? To become a president, first you have to be an elected member, right? The qualification or disqualification issue is pending before the tribunal, right?
In the tribunal, on what issue it is challenged, my lord, I don't know.
Today, if we say, if the deputy commissioner decides that she is not entitled or he is not entitled to be elected as a, he is disqualified from being selected or elected as a member, then what remains in the election petition? What the tribunal will decide?
But my lord, regarding the issue child marriage, it is the Deputy Commissioner who can decide, state to provide it. My lord, we fix it after the vacation, my lord. I will try to.
Are you getting what I'm trying
Yes,
to?
I have, I will answer.
Once
that.
his,
Once
once
his
the
president-
foundation is been put to challenge, once the foundation is removed or decides, superstructure will naturally follows.
Yes, my lord, I also have to collect the election petition. What is the ground? I have to see that, my lord.
Why you have not said so earlier?
So after the vacation, my lord.
On the prayer of Mr. So-and-so, Land Council for the petitioner, list this matter after 4 weeks. So as to enable him to obtain instruction. Huh? In the meantime, the learned council for the respondent number 8 may, and in the meantime, respondent number 8 may file affidavit in opposition.
26. In this case, item number 26 and 56 in the supply in order column. These are the analogous method.
Yes.
Case, my lord, Gaponset members, my lord, file this case, my lord, because, my lord, in 3 occasions earlier, my lord, meeting held, my lord, for oath taking and etc. election of the president and Gaponset, my lord, vice president, my lord. But subsequently, what is happened, my lord? First meeting, second meeting, it was adjourned. And ultimately on 9/7/25, it was held, my lord. And in that meeting, we did not receive any notice, my lord. That is our case. But subsequently, I have received the, my lord, a copy of the resolution of the said 19th meeting, my lord, 19/7/25. So whether I have to file additional affidavit, bringing this, my lord, resolution.
What is the challenge here?
That is this, I have challenged that, my lord, resolution of that meeting, my lord.
Which one?
My lord, 19/7/25. Because, my lord, on the day, we did not receive any notice, my lord. 18 notice issued, my lord, letter issued for the meeting, but we did not receive, my lord. But ultimately, they have, my lord, without any majority, they have, my lord, completed their meeting and selected and elected, my lord, vice president and president, my lord. That was the case, my lord.
My lord, I have a submission. In this case, I am for respondent number 6, 7, 8, and 9. This petition is not maintainable. Because election dispute shall have to be decided by the tribunal, not by the Honorable High Court. Once the result is declared rightly or wrongly, and thereafter every matter shall be decided by the tribunal, not by election commission or any of its subordinate officers.
No.
So here, whether the meeting is legal or illegal, it is a disputed question. There are 4 meetings. Disputed question, I think this Honorable High Court cannot decide. What simply they are saying is that the meeting was conducted without giving notice to
Yes.
the other members.
Violation of principle, justice. That is only.
Right? They are not challenging your election.
Election, my lord.
No, they are
That
claiming
order
something.
is settled, my lord.
They are claiming something which this Honorable High Court cannot give. Which one? Kindly
They are
they are challenging the resolution of
Yes,
meeting.
my lord.
Where is that meeting? Where is that meeting?
Yes, my lord. That resolution subsequently I have received the copy. I'll later. my
You
lord,
bring on record then.
Yes, my lord. That is.
Not Mr. So-and-so land council for deputy who submits that he may be allowed sometime, he may be provided sometime to file additional affidavit to bring on record
Yes.
the copy of the resolution
Of the meeting
dated
19/7/25.
9,
19.
9 or 9.
19, my lord.
You are challenging 9.
19, my lord.
Order, it is differently. Resolution dated 19/7/2020. But you are challenging the 9/7.
9/7 also, my lord. But here is letter was issued by the subsequent.
List after 4 weeks. 26 and
Yes, my lord.
you are Mr. So-and-so, MU Mohammed London Council for respondent number 6, 7, and 8. 6, 7, 8. Ah.
3, 4 and thus government.
And who is for 5? And M. Mohammed are present. Huh? What is 56?
56, my lord, it has listed in similar analogous method out of the same government.
Out of same,
Yes, government.
same party.
Yes, my lord. Opposite parties were same.
56.
Yes.
Are you appearing in this matter? This is by another person?
Yes, my lord.
Huh?
Other member.
Other members?
Yes.
The list along with
Yes.
similar orders.
Similar,
You
similar.
are challenging
One
list
order.
along with WPC 6676 of 2025. Item 56, huh?
Item 27.
Hey, please, your lordship, pass for time being.
Hmm?
Pass for time being.
What is the matter?
My senior sir is lagging on code number 24.
Huh?
My senior sir is lagging on code number 24.
Here is, my lord, we need to take instruction regarding rejection of his sale permission.
Huh?
Rejection of his sale permission, my lord. I
Sale
don't say, I don't say.
Heard Mr. So-and-so learned
We need further 2 weeks time to.
on the prayer of
Instruction.
Mr. MS
Amendment.
Bermon, London State
State.
Council. State Council. Further 2 weeks time is granted to obtain instruction. List after 2 weeks. You are also appearing.
Yes, says for revenue.
State Council for Revenue and DM Department.
Item 28.
My lord, kindly pass for time being.
What is the matter? Have you filed the affidavit? Yes. What is the matter?
Land sale transfer application. Incumbent certificate has not been filed.
Already rejected. It has been rejected. They can
They are
apply
supposed
newly,
to file rejoinder.
Yes, they are supposed to file on last date, my lord, 12/12.
On the prayer of Mr. So-and-so, H.R. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner. Further 2 weeks' time is granted to file rejoinder as allowed by this court on 12/12/2025.
Of like.
29, my lord, this is regarding non-payment of higher assessment bill of the vehicle. May I fix a date?
Heard Mr. S.
Right.
Bortapur, learned counsel for the petitioner. Further 2 weeks' time is on the prayer of Mr. M. Chetia, learned state counsel. Further 2 weeks' time is granted to obtain instruction.
I pray for a fixed date, my lord. Otherwise, it will not.
3 weeks then.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. The only date I needed.
Yes.
11th of February. God bless.
Item 30.
Lordship, regarding the instant case, we have received the instructions and the entire tendering process.
Heard Mr. So-and-so, you want some time? What do you want?
No, Lordship, actually, the entire tendering process of the tendering question has been cancelled. We have
Okay.
received the specific instructions regarding this.
What is your challenge here?
My lord, they have not issued the, my lord, site visit certificate, my lord.
It has been cancelled now. Matter ends
They
there.
are doing anything, my lord.
Huh?
I don't know, my lord, why they have cancelled, my lord.
The technical bids have also not been, nothing has been, it has been entirely cancelled.
Nothing remains. Once it is cancelled, you may challenge this also. Cancellation you may challenge.
Yes, my lord.
Heard Mr.
Yes, my lord.
S. Hawk, learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr.
Lordship,
Mr.
we record Mr. B. Gogo's name on.
B. Gogoi, learned. We'll record your name. Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel M. Bhuya, learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. B. Gogoi. By placing the communication dated 03/01/2026 issued by the chief engineer from this, not issued, from the chief engineer PWD within Bracket Road, Assam, Chanmari, submits that the NIT dated 13/08/2025 being package number MAINT/SOPDG/2025-26/1/142. Here, huh? In respect of what? What is the tender for?
Lordship, the tender is for, it's in the synopsis itself, construction, reconstruction, improvement of roads and CD works.
Huh?
Yeah, it's in the synopsis itself. Lordship.
For construction of?
My lord, probably there is a, my lord, wrong interpretation, my lord. Here, my lord, there is two package, my lord. Package number 142 and 143, my lord. 142 was cancelled, my lord. That was already brought to the notice of the court, my lord. But so far, 143, my lord, that has not yet cancelled, my lord. 143 this one.
Yours is? Yours is?
143, my lord. Now I am facing 143, my lord.
Lordship, in the second paragraph, it is also written, I am to inform that the technical evaluation of package number so and so in terms of NIT data is not yet open and presently all tendering process of the work is on hold.
The course order is this. Huh?
That is on hold, my lord. Not cancel, my lord.
Yours is in respect of?
143, my lord.
Huh?
143 package, my lord. Package number SOPT, my lord, 143. There is two package, my lord. 142, that was earlier cancelled, my lord. Now there is a main SOPT 2025-26, 143, my lord. Serial number 5, my lord.
After Beijing said pertaining to package number 142.
143, my lord.
142 and 143.
Yes, my lord. 143, I am facing, my lord.
Huh?
I'm facing right now 143.
But you're challenging the 142 and 43, both.
No, my lord. 142 already cancelled, my lord. Now I am facing 143, my lord.
Three.
Kindly come to my prayer portion, my lord, page 16, my lord.
No, you have challenged both.
I have challenged both earlier, my lord. Since during that earlier.
Then, huh?
Lordship, the prayer number 1.
It's okay. 1 and 2, prayer number 1 and 2.
Yes, my lord.
142 and 143.
142 earlier cancelled, my lord.
So this other 143 is not cancelled.
Not cancelled. And they were last occasion, my lord, they were directed to file affidavit, my lord.
You have not filed affidavit.
As it says, no.
Then Mr. S. Hope, learned counsel, you delete all this, huh? On the prayer of Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. B. Gogoi, learned standing on public works. Further 3 weeks time is granted to file.
My lord, if
affidavit.
earlier there was an interim order.
Him order passed, the earlier shall continue.
My lord.
Much obliged.
Alright.
Yeah, waiting for the up-to-date instruction.
Huh?
Up-to-date instruction, my lord.
No,
My lord,
you have said,
Last occasion, my lord, victim.
Status report.
Yes, my
You
lord.
have already obtained.
Yes.
What is that?
But girl has not been recovered till, my lord.
Hmm?
Girl has not been recovered till, my lord.
What?
Girl has not been recovered, my lord. The investigation is going on, my lord. Instruction, my lord.
What is the status report earlier?
For my lord.
Saying what? Under investigation.
Under investigation, yet to be recovered, my lord.
Not appears for the petition on call, huh? Further 2 weeks time is granted to Mr. M. Chetty, Alliance State Council to obtain up-to-date status of the up-to-date status report, huh? List after 2 weeks.
May it please your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, it is to bring to your notice that the tender has been cancelled due to administrative reasons. And they have said that a new tender will be floated shortly.
So matter become in process. It has become in process.
Yes.
MS so-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner submits that in view of the cancellation of the tender.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Where is that tender? Where is that tender?
Lordship, may kindly see page 21.
In view of the cancellation of the tender dated 17/08/2024 for operation and maintenance of Mrityunjay so-and-so ambulance, huh? Here. Under National Ambulance Service for National Health Mission. Assam. The petition has become infructuous. Accordingly. It petition stands closed as having become infructuous. Mrityunjay 108 ambulance, it's here.
Lordship, my senior is on next. Can the matter will be take up? Time?
I live in the matter relating to the settlement of the Baganpara Biotli market.
Yes.
For 1 year point. I am the highest bidder, paying the highest money of rupees 2,20,000. But the settlement has been made in the name of the fourth bidder, who has offered only 1,49,000. They have been given sufficient time to produce instructions for what reason the petitioner has been deprived, but nothing has been done. I strongly object to fixing any other date at the request of the other matters. Because they could not produce any defense, and I am the highest bidder, you are also kind of see the.
Affidavit has been filed.
My lord,
Affidavit has been filed.
who?
State.
No, they have not filed it, no defense, because your lordship see the page 34, comparative statement. Comparative, as per comparative statement,
No, court has already stated allotment.
as per comparative statement, I am the highest bidder. I am the highest bidder, rupees 2.
That has already been recorded. Larger occasion, 18/12/2025.
Official money was 35 bid money. I offered 2,20,000. And restaurant number 6 is.
Sir, all your submission has been already recorded. Founding prima facie case in favor of you. There is a order of this court staying the orders, any orders passed by the authorities in favor of the respondent number 6.
Yes.
So
This favor of the restaurant.
we want them to file
restaurant-
response. Heard Mr. So and so, learned
restaurant
counsel
is
for
the
the
fourth
petition.
bidder, my lord.
Hmm?
Restaurant is the fourth bidder and the highest bidder. As per clause 12 of the tender notice, settlement has to be made to the highest bidder, my lord.
So are you trying to understand?
What?
Are you getting what I am trying to tell you?
No, my submission,
Your submission I have understood. Have you understood what I am saying?
What, other side has not filed it.
No, what this court has said. Have you understood what I am saying? What this court is saying?
No, I do not understand.
So in which language I should speak?
Whether they have filed affidavit or not, state.
Should I speak in Galo language?
You're not to repeat what.
No, I am asking, are you understanding or have you understood what this court is saying? Then how can we educate the matter if you don't understand anything about?
It is very much simple.
I have understood what is your case. Have you understood what I have said?
And I should be given settlement by the authority. The settlement order already made. Settlement order made should be, what is it is not in accordance with the tender notice, my lord.
Can somebody help him out? Please come.
Maybe taken after some time.
No, just help him out.
The time to I oppose it, because they have taken sufficient time, my lord. I oppose it. I am, at first I am submitting that I strongly oppose it. Because what instruction they have got, they should have produced before. You also kind of see the case.
No, you just tell him. The court has already recorded his submission, his case. Accordingly, on last occasion, there is a stay of orders in favor of passed in favor of the respondent number 6, which is in his favor now. Now, this court wants the response from the state. So we'll fix it the matter after some time, after 2 weeks or 3 weeks.
Which matter, let me be patient last week of January, my lord, last day.
Sir, kindly get some, assistance. Get some assistance. Just tell him on next day, madam. Tell sir that to have an assistance on the next date. Difficult. Hard mistake. So
28,
it's
make it 28.
learned counsel for the petitioner. On the prayer of Mr. A.M.S. Swenso, learned counsel appearing on behalf of?
Yeah, Miss Senior
Who-
Advocate, Miss B. Punya. For BTC.
28.
For BTC.
BTC.
Further 2 weeks time is granted to file response, list the matter after 2 weeks on 28.
28.
280.
Last
on
time
20.
for submitting the section, any section.
This is not
They have
important. Important is get him an assistance on the next day.
It will, you know.
May 3 days your lordship.
We're waiting for the instruction, my lord. Copy was received only on, my lord, 29/12, my lord. We have accordingly sent a letter on 5/1, my lord.
So the matter
There are
has
some-
already been redressed by the authority, your lordship.
Decided.
Lordship, the suspension order has been withdrawn.
Okay.
I have the copy of the
Heard
letter.
Mr. MS So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that writ petition has become infructuous. Mr. So-and so is present. Accordingly, writ petition stands disposed of as having been become infructuous. Huh?
Lordship. Oblige your lordship.
Last occasion, the respondent authority was yet to obtain instruction as to the whether the finance bit of the petitioner has opened or not. Here, in fact, I have the knowledge, the petitioner's finance bit has been already opened. Here, what happened, in this NIT, 2 tenders were called for, against 2 works, Against 1 work, they have already awarded the work, Their tender has opened, finance bit was opened, that was finalized. Subsequently, work order was issued against 1 package, that work has already been started. But in the instant package, package number 49,
Yes.
had not
Sir,
yet finalized.
unfortunately, I do not have the brief for this case right now. I'm
We
unable
don't want you. We want Mr. Gogoi.
then not to be
Except
taken-
for mentioning, don't appear.
That's it.
Have you been authorized? Then
That's
not only this case. You cannot make a submission on merit. Because we have seen in earlier case, your submission was totally contrary to the record. So you cannot be authorized. You may make a mention. Yes, you are supposed to, Mr. Gogoi is supposed to obtain instruction. Whether the financial bid have been opened or not in respect to the serial number 1, and if not, the reasons therefore on the next day. Huh? What happened according to your information?
You may understand, the finance bit has already been opened,
It was found that the petitioner along with 2 others were technically competent. Government's reason is that the financial bid have not been opened, although in respect of the work serial number 2 of the detailed notice, not only the financial bid have been opened, but also letter of acceptance have also been issued. Huh? Where is Mr. Gogoi? So, have you not, don't you have any information?
Here, the finance bit was opened,
Huh?
Finance bit has been opened, but not finalized, It is computer printed copy,
Then what do you want?
I want, the finalization,
No, the directions have been to open and finalize the financial bid of
Yes,
the
yes,
petitioner. What is your instruction?
my instruction, actually, they had to put this before the honorable court, to my instruction, the finance bit was opened,
Yes, then?
Not yet finalized,
No, if it is open, then what is there? You said earlier it has not been open in respect of serial number 1.
Not open, not open and finalized.
What is that?
That is the comparison statement,
So, are you entitled? Who is L1, L2? Are you L2, L2,
I
L1?
am L1,
L1?
Yes,
Then you will get it. One nation where you are making a scarecrow of this.
No, that is subsequently received,
Huh?
After filing this repetition.
So we'll close this unnecessary financial. You want that it should be open. You said it has been open. Heard Mr. S. Hope.
Finalized,
Huh?
Open and finalized.
Once it is open, it will be finalized. That time it was not open. How can, huh? Heard Mr. Will not say anything. Heard Mr. It's okay. We'll close the matter in view of the development, huh? Heard Mr. S. Hope,
Kindly
London
decide,
Council for the
on that issue.
petitioner who submits that during the pendency of this writ petition, the respondent authorities has opened the financial bid. Huh? You are Deepak Kumar Verma,
Deepak Sharma, my lord.
Deepak Sharma. Huh? This serial number, about serial number 1.
Yes, my lord. L1.
No, there are 2 packages.
Yes, my lord. Package number.
2
49.
already open and awarded,
Yes, my lord.
right?
I am against package number 48, my lord.
Not 48, this is, you said serial number 1.
The serial here only in this my lord.
Court has recorded serial number 1. What is that serial number 1?
48, my lord.
Huh?
ML page 15, my lord.
Jaljabari Chowk to Badila from. Yes, serial
Yes,
number
my-
1.
Yes, package number.
What is it? Financial bid wherein the petitioner is shown to be L1, huh? Cliff. Well, since the petition, it seems the present petition has been filed for a direction to open and finalize the financial bid of the petitioner in respect of the page you said, huh? Package number, you just write in para 11, Mala so and so, it's serial number 1 of the NIT, huh? Dated 17/10/2020 pertaining to work of improvement upgrade road from so and so, huh? It's in page 11, comma. The, I said what I said, since no, not since. The present petition has been filed so and so, huh? For a direction to so and so. And during the pendency, since the financial bid has been opened, wherein the petitioner is found to be L1, comma. There is no surviving cause to be adjudicated. No surviving cause. There's no cause. There's no cause remains to be adjudicated. Huh? Accordingly, writ petition is disposed of. Closed as having been infructuous. Huh? Needless to observe that the petition, the respondent self may finalize the tender.
Complete.
We're closing it.
Right.
You record his name, big away. It has been already, financial bid has been open. Consequential will follow. We'll just observe that needless to say that respondent will finalize the tender.
Right. Complete.
In this year, lordship, K.N. Chaudhary is leading lordship, he is on like. After
Suppose they have the instruction, my lord, one short instruction. Let it be.
You have the instruction.
My lord, instruction as whether the petitioner will now be allowed to allow complete.
Yes. Do you have that instruction?
My lord, after the vacation, my lord. They are having a discussion.
Why after the vacation? It was passed on 1912.
Place, my lord, because my lord, he is, my lord, praying that.
You want to give him a Bihu gift or what? Heard Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner. On the prayer of Mr. B. Gogol, learned standing counsel PWD, a further 2 weeks' time is granted to obtain instruction in terms allowed by this court on 19/12/2025. No, in terms of the order dated 19/12/2025. List on so and so, 22nd.
Second of
February. 02/02/20.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes,
Lordship, yesterday they have filed affidavit, Lordship, but not in tag with record, Lordship.
yes.
Lordship, matter relating to non-payment of contractual bill, Lordship. Yesterday they have filed affidavit,
Yes.
but not in tag with record, Lordship.
Okay, had MS so and so London Council on the, although although it is informed that, no, it is informed by the London Council for the petition that the respondent authorities have filed the affidavit in opposition. No, it is informed the London Council by the petitioner that it is submitted by the Land Council to the petitioner that the responsible authorities have filed an affidavit in opposition. Just how same is not tagged with the record. Registered to today only. Okay. He said you have filed already.
Lordship.
Then we write delete all the hard MS and so on. Mr. I Land Council for the Standing Council, PHE, submits that he has filed the affidavit today. Mr. In view of, let this matter be listed after 2 weeks.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
This matter may be passed off for the day, Your Lordship, because the arguing council is.
Why? What is the matter?
Your Lordship, this is about the settlement of some lease, Your Lordship. Settlement of lease, Your Lordship.
Settlement of?
Some tender, Your Lordship.
Then?
So Mr. Ahmed is supposed to argue the matter, but.
Who?
Mr. M. Ahmed, Your Lordship. He is out of station due to some personal.
Out of station. Okay.
Immediately review vacation.
On the prayer of Mr. So-and-so, Land Council appearing on behalf of Mr. So-and-so, on the ground that Mr. So-and-so, Ahmed,
Mr. M.
has some personal inconvenience today. But let this matter be so-and-so listed after 4 weeks.
There is an interim that may be continued.
3 weeks then.
Your Lordship.
MS so-and-so and so-and-so. Interim order pass, the lesson continue.
Highly appreciate.
May it please the Lordship, as per the last order, we have filed the affidavit in reply. But unfortunately, owing to certain personal difficulties, my senior is unable to appear before this
On the
honorable.
ground that Mr. Who is
SP Bhattacharya.
SB Bhattacharya, London, SP
Bhattacharya.
Bhattacharya, London Council, but the petitioner is having personal inconvenience today, MS so-and-so, London Council for the London Council appearing on his behalf, press for listing of the matter after 2 weeks. 2
Your
weeks.
Lordship may kindly fix this matter
3
after
weeks.
vacation.
3 weeks. MS so-and-so, Mr. Who is 1, 2, 3 chronologically? Who is 1? Who is 1?
One central government.
No record their name so-and-so. Are present, all of them. Are present without any objection. Accordingly, list this matter after 3 weeks.
Deeply obliged, Your Lordship.
I think I'm repeating it again. Last one. Repeat kar rahi kya? What I said, first para.
One and two. 1 and 2. My lord, I can appear for 1 also. 1 and 2. Chief Budua for 1 and 2.
Are present. Praise aloud. List after 3 weeks. Huh?
Wait, please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of Mr. Y. Kothari, where for the respondent number 3, Your Honor, we were unable to file the Wakalatnama today. They have couriered it from Delhi, Your Honor, but it has not.
Which one?
arrived. Respondent number 3.
What's the attempt? 50.
50.
You file it, it's okay.
Deeply obliged, Your Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
So my case is that, Lordship, I have applied for some license, Lordship, and that license has to be either granted or refused within time bound manner, Lordship.
So in this case, we need some time, Lordship. We have received the extra copy lately, Lordship. Although notice was issued on 1/11, Lordship, they have supplied the copy on Lordship in month of December, Lordship. এক তারিখে নোটিশটো করে 2 থেকে 1 মাসের পিছত তোমালোকে দিছে হয় নেকি So issuing the notice, they have supplied the copy, Lordship, after 1 month, Lordship.
So,
I have
whose fault is this?
No, Lordship, this
Or
may be-
Mr. So-and-so learned counsel public. On the prayer of Mr. K. Gogoi, learned additional senior government advocate. Let this matter be listed after. Further 3 weeks time is granted
Lordship, I kindly
to file response.
give it to after 2 weeks, my lord, because it is.
3 weeks.
My case is.
That become infectious because, Lordship, the shifting of bus stand, it was filed on 2017, Lordship.
Non-appears for the petitioners on call. Despite repeated, in spite of repeated time granted to the petitioner, no instruction is placed. Mr. It appears that the petitioner is no longer interested to pursue this matter. Mr. Accordingly, writ petition stands dismissed for non-preservation. Mr. So-and-so, no, before that, non-appearance for the petitioner. Then Mr. K. Gogoi, learned additional so-and-so is present, dismissed. Yes.
An order from the Lavazima court, but the petitioner is not taking steps. So I request you to close this matter.
What is the matter? Non-appears for the petition on call. MS.
A Das appearing on behalf of SK Talukdar, sir. Corporation Department.
Oh,
Department.
Corporation Department is present. Office note, the Lausimer Court order dated 09/1/12/2025 reflects that the petitioner has failed to take steps for issuance notice to the respondent number 12 despite repeated directions. Mr. Since the matter is pending since 2017, it appears that the petitioner is no longer interested to pursue this matter. Accordingly, it has been still dismissed for non-prosecution.
Happy Jones. There is an order dated 31/10/2025. There is a direction to take dusty service. We have already taken dusty service. Petition number 20 went to the respondent office, but they refused to take the dusty notice. They refused to take the dusty notice.
You filed an affidavit.
Already filed. Affidavit is already there.
Where it is?
Already filed. Refused to accept in presence of following witnesses. This is number petition number 20. 20 went to the office of the respondent lawsuit. He refused.
Refused to accept.
Yes.
The only in respect respondent number 5.
Yes, sir.
No other.
No.
Heard Mr. So and so learned counsel for the petitioner. The petitioner has filed an affidavit in support of the steps taken to Dusty upon respondent number 5, which reflects that the respondent number 5 has refused to accept the notice in view of what the respondents number 5. This is service of respondent number 5 is deemed to be effected, duly effected, huh?
Admission column.
List for admission after 4 weeks. 4 weeks.
4 weeks. Give level.
So we have filed an application for vacating the interim order passed by this honorable court. And that has been passed on 3/9/2024. Matter is relating a civil dispute. They have filed a suit for declaration of right on the basis of adverse position. And they have filed a writ petition challenging the inaction of the police, that they have filed an affair before the police. Police has not taken any action against the as per their affair. They have approached this honorable court. And this court has directed police to protect their interest in the properties. Already, Lordship, on the basis of interim order passed by this court, the injunction order has been issued in their favor. Considering the order passed by this honorable court. And civil dispute is pending, civil suit is pending between the parties. There is no question of any order passed by this honorable court in writ petition. We filed an application for vacating stay on Lordship 2/12/2025. 2/12/2025. And interim order has been extended up to Lordship 12/11/24. Thereafter, no interim order has been extended till date. So 226(3)(b, interim order already got.
Thereafter, matter reached twice.
So thereafter, matter has been reached twice. Interim matter has not been continued.
So there's no question of vacation. If it is operation of the law, no question of
Lordship to
vacating.
record that, Lordship. Lordship,
Huh?
Lordship to record that. Otherwise, Lordship trial court has held.
Then why we should unnecessarily go into your IA? Is it your prayer in the IA? They by operation of the law,
No, how can I say, Lordship? On the basis of IA file.
if you are no, if you cannot say why you are filing an IA,
Lordship, within 14
either
days.
you press the IA or you make a submission on operation of the law.
Lordship 226(3).
You cannot, both cannot go together.
Lordship 226(3)(b) said that after filing the application within 14 days, that should be disposed of. If that is not disposed of, interim order vacated.
Lordship, I am for the read petitioner, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, kindly allow 2 weeks time to file our reply in the IA, Lordship.
Why?
We will bring on record all the things we will bring.
What is the judgment of this court?
220 judgment of this honorable court, Lordship will find a page order.
No. What you on the operation of the law?
226(3)(b), Lordship.
That is law, that is a judgment of the order of this court is there. On 226B.
226(3)(b) specifically stated that which should be.
That we have seen, we have come across, we have studied since class 11 or 12. What is 226B or C? I'm saying the order of this court on that issue.
Lordship, there are various orders. I have not brought that order. Various orders passed by this honorable court.
But I have across only one order as on today by this court,
Oh, yes, Lordship.
not various orders. Maybe my knowledge is very limited. So anyway, what would you? He said he's asking for time to
Time,
file.
but Lordship to observe that, Lordship. Otherwise, Lordship, they cannot, Lordship.
No, once they, when should we observe that? All right, matter ends there.
Because Lordship is already aware when civil suit is pending regarding.
If we hold by operation of the article 226 3B, matter ends there.
Matter ends there.
What's the question of granting him? If the moment we grant, that cannot operate, that it can be pressed into service, right? So choice is yours. You want to argue on that, or will grant him some time if you are generous enough?
No, Lordship, because I'm suffering. I'm 82 years old person. They want to grab my land.
No, it's not a question. That is not on
Yesterday evening have started.
I'm asking when he said he is asking for a time to file affidavit.
But my submission to the Lordship should not continue the interim order because it was not continued from 12/11/2024.
So we'll grant them, or we'll hear you on the operation of the law.
Lordship can hear on operation of law.
At 2 o'clock, you bring that judgment.
Lordship,
If you don't bring that order, I will not hear you.
I will bring that order.
No, he wants to argue the matter. We'll hear 2 o'clock. When it was filed?
It was filed on 2/12/2025.
Order was passed on 3/9/2024. They filed the IA for vacating in December 2025 after 15 months.
December
2025.
Have you gone through the provision 226 3B? That is what he's arguing for the last 5 minutes, 10 minutes. There is a judgment of this court. Find it out.
Lordship, he is appearing.
The Axis Bank, something like
He is
that.
appearing in person, Lordship. He is a party to the case. Suman Shetty is the.
Suman City. I am not Suman City. I am JP Moon.
He's a lawyer.
Lordship, I'm.
Respondent is a lawyer.
Lordship.
Yes.
Let it come on Friday, Milo. In the meantime, both can go through the judgment.
Immediate after due vacation, Lordship.
No,
Immediate after, Lordship.
No, Lordship, I am suffering.
Today is Wednesday. Let it be taken on Friday.
Friday.
Friday also.
As agreed to by learned counsel for the parties, list this matter on Friday 9th. Please come with those orders of this court. Some Axis Bank or PNB Bank, something like that. Other orders, I don't know. I have come across only one order on the issue. Yes.
This petition has been filed by the petitioner, my lord, against illegality caused by the respondent, my lord, while subjecting. Your lordship, I cannot see paragraph page 5 of the petition here. While constructing Nipen Bora Road under Mukhyamantri Nagorik Sokhi Pot Nirman Achoni, my lord, during this period, my lord, they have widened the level of the road, my lord.
So what's the problem?
The entire rainwater used to be flowed to my ground level, my lord. This is my grievance, my lord. Entire flood water, my lord, used to rush out to my premises, my lord.
So obviously for construction road, raising a height of the road and some here and there, it's permissible.
Your lordship, I cannot see in this respect, my lord. There was a.
How you can stop that?
My lord, they cannot raise to the level of the road, my lord, exaggeratingly, my lord. My lord, in this respect, your lordship, I cannot see. There is a action plan taken by, initiated by the government, my lord. Very scheme, my lord, formulated by the government. While enhancing the surface of the road level, they have to follow these provisions, my lord. This was filed in the PIL 44, my lord, 2008, before this honorable court.
Long-term plan in respect of waterlogging planning, etc. in the city. This is by whom?
By the government of Assam, my lord.
So they'll do it.
GFC and GFDA, my lord. While constructing, my lord, this particular road, this scheme has not been followed, my lord.
Where do you get that it's not been followed?
My lord.
How do you know that it's not been followed?
My lord, here in this case, my lord, they have to take measurement after 30 meters and 500 meters equally, my lord. This measurement has not been taken in the locality, my lord. Which has resulted in exaggerated high rise of the road.
From where you are saying? From where you are saying? Yes, from where you are saying?
Well, this is from the surface of my entrance of my.
No.
They may be directed to produce the record, my lord, based on which this road has been.
What records?
Yes, my lord.
What records?
Regarding this construction activities, my lord, of this particular scheme, my lord. Scheme has been mentioned in para 4 of my petition, my lord. Following what conditions, my lord, this construction has been made, my lord, by the respondents.
The construction is already been completed.
My lord, completed, my lord.
Then,
My lord, this, your lordship cannot see paragraph C of my repetition, my lord. This work was awarded on 53/24, my lord. Para 6, page 5 of repetition, my lord. Immediately thereafter, when we have found that they are raising the level of the road, immediately on 1/6/24, the plaintiff had, petitioner has raised objection. And actually, my lord, this is page 129, my lord.
what is this documents which you have submitted?
These are representation is on a filed by, lordship, filed by the petitioner before the concerned authorities. Page 129, my lord.
Oh, this one which you have.
No, my lord. That is, my lord, document placed before this on court in PIL.
Yes,
Specific submission made by my learned senior, then we will be filing our affidavit on behalf of the PWD department, my lord.
so we're discussing the writ petition. How you can stop the, not to raise the road?
My lord, my intention is not to raise, restrict them, my lord. But by submission only, my lord, they cannot raise the level of the height. So that, my lord, it goes much higher, causing,
No,
masses
it's
of the rainwater
already
to
over.
places, my lord,
It's already over.
to my places. And my lord, all along, my lord, the petitioner has approached the concerned authorities, but no hint has been given.
What is your prayer here? What is your prayer here?
For reducing my grievances that the height of the road level may be reduced, my lord.
How can this be?
Ricky,
You want that the road construct already, the road constructed, already constructed has to be
this can be rectified, my lord.
destroyed again.
This can be rectified, my lord, if it is, my lord, found that this is higher than the existing norms and prejudices, my lord. This
No,
can be
if
rectified.
everyone is started
Next.
saying all this, how I mean, this is unthinkable.
Petitioner shall be remediless, my lord.
What
my lord,
remediless?
My lord,
You approach the appropriate authority for some,
my lord, all along the petitioner has approached all the authorities, my lord. Your lordship can see annexure 3 starting from page 129, my lord. Repeated representations were submitted, my lord.
page 129,
Onwards, my lord.
where
Annexure
it
3.
is.
Why
Page
they were-
129,
Page 129, my lord.
what is this?
This is representation filed by the petitioner before the executive engineer PWD, chief engineer
For
PWD.
not to raise the existing, this is what I'm saying. How can you say that don't raise the
But my lord, these representations have not been.
level of
replaced.
the road? If it's as per the, I mean, specification.
This is,
See, road, whatever is constructed is as per the specification and the DPR and whatever. So how can you stop them from raising the level?
my submission is that they have not
It's
constructed.
a 8-inch only,
As per not.
8-inch only.
No, my lord, more than 8 inch, my lord.
Whatever, you have said 8-inch.
This is more than 8 inch from the existing one, my lord. More than 8 inch from the existing one, my lord.
So what? It can
But
be
my
more than that also. It can be 10-inch, 12-inch, whatever.
My lord, while I have.
That
raised-
will be constructed as per the specification in the DPR or whatever.
They ought to have responded the same by replying to me, my lord. They have not responded. my
What
lord.
responded? We're
They have not
dismissing,
responded, my lord.
we're
All of-
dismissing and imposing a cost. Cannot be allowed like this. It's frivolous. How can you say that don't raise the level of the road?
But they can
If it
say,
is
my lord,
as per
they
the
can- but
specific, is it as per the specification?
They have not
Is it
provided.
as per the specification
They
of
have
the?
not provided any specification to the petitioner, my lord. They have not provided any specification. On
Then
what
why,
basis
why,
this road has been constructed.
then you are not saying that it's not as per the specification of the DPR?
Definitely, my lord. I'm saying that, my say is that, my lord.
No, you have not said so. Where you have said?
My lord, this is my.
You have said, due to raise in the level of the road,
Exaggerated rising, my lord.
not exaggerate. From where you are saying that it's exaggerate? 8 inch is not I mean, to have a new construction of new road, I mean, on the existing road, obviously, I mean, 8 inch, 10 inch will be there.
My lord, all along I have placed my grievances to them. my
We're
lord.
giving you a chance, day after, on Monday, Patrat, huh?
My lord.
You take instruction in writing,
Monday is holiday, my lord.
huh?
After
On,
vacation.
19. 19 or 20?
20th.
20, make it 20. 20. This court is contemplating to impose a cost on you. Think over it.
I'll
It's
satisfy-
not done.
I'll satisfy your lordship.
Cannot do. I am not satisfied at all, and I don't think I need,
I shall try my best to satisfy your lordship.
it
For next
doesn't require any more hearing. You obtain the instruction in writing, you don't have to file affidavit. I've gone through the brief, nothing is there. Heard Mr.
And Alaman.
N. Alam, London Council for the petitioner. And Mr. So and so, all of them. All of you obtain instruction in writing. London Council for the, considering the nature of the issue raised in writ petition to the effect not to raise the level of the road the respondents are directed to placed on instruction as to whether the road has already been completed in accordance with the specification of the PR. Mr. This court, upon consideration of the materials and hearing the London Council for this privacy, found this petition to be frivolous one. Mr. List the matter on 20/01/2022 for further consideration. Matter be kept as part, matter will remain as part of.
My lord, the instruction being a little bit short for my lord. Whether construction has been done as per the action plan, my lord.
Think about how much cost
Before
you
this-
would like to pay
My lord,
during this 10 days, 2
I've-
weeks,
I've
2 days to 13 days.
I have to take.
Think about
I have to
how
take-
much you would like to pay
I have to take.
as a
instruction-
cost
I have to take.
for filing a frivolous petition.
I have to take. instruction-
Kindly,
I have to take instruction, my lord.
whatever. That's why we're fixing it on. I have not come across such a petition. People ask that the contractors and the authorities does not construct or the implement a project or the public works in accordance with the or duplicity or whatever, not in accordance with the specification. Rather, we are saying that
Now, this is
don't
also my-
raise.
This is also my part of grievances, my lord. This is also my part of grievances. I mentioned in my writ petition, my lord.
We'll see on 20.
Much,
Be prepared. Mr. Alam, be prepared.
much obliged.
Value placement.
Kind of some modification of the order will require. Your lordship may kindly come to page 16,
Mm,
order of your lordship. Here in the
16.
16.
Yes, what is to be corrected?
It is submitted that total awarded amount is so and so. So and so after negotiation, both the parties have mutually agreed to settle a sum, so and so. Out of which 373,800 only has already been paid, and balance amount of rupees 3,50,000 is agreed upon as full and final settlement. My lord, in respect of 3,50,000, direction is your lordship has given to release that amount. And so far this 3,73,800 lordship, this amount was deposited before the registry in terms of interim order of this honorable court. But there was no direction to release that amount. So that amount is still under the lordship registry. So there
Is hereby direct deposit the amount of rupees so and so before the registry. It has already been deposited. Deposited.
Deposited.
350.
No, 350 lordship, that is in terms of your last Lok Adalat order. That amount is to be deposited before the registry. That has not been yet deposited. But so far, lordship, 3,73,800. That amount had lordship deposited earlier in terms of the interim order of this honorable court. So direction to release that amount, lordship, will be required, lordship. Regarding 3,50,000, your lordship has already directed to release that amount. And so far, this first amount loss is 3,73,800. A direction will be required Lordship, to release that amount.
Out of which 3,73,000 has already been paid.
That is a Lordship, that is why Lordship. That amount deposited before the registry, but
Not been paid.
My lord, because there was no direction of this honorable court to release that amount in favor of the claimant.
No, it's not a question of once it is paid, what's the question of release?
No, it is not paid Lordship to the claimant. It is deposited before the registry. That is the
So this is wrong.
Lordship. That part Lordship will be required to be.
So what we'll say that what should be the order now?
My lord, so far 3,73,000, along with 3,50,000, may be released in favor of the claimant.
Heard, Mr. Yes.
Your Lordship,
Huh?
we have no objection.
No objection. Huh? Learned counsel for the applicant decision application seeking modification of the correction of the order dated 13/12/2025 passed by this court in the Resident Lok Adalat in MSc appeal number 53 of 2024. Next paragraph. It is noticed that by an order dated date of order is not 13/12/2025 in the National Lok Adalat. This court inter alia as directed, which is reproduced as under, huh? This new page 13, huh? It is submitted, from it is submitted, huh? Next page, next. Perusal of the, no, the above order indicates that out of total awarded amount of rupees 7,47,600. Amount of rupees 3,70,800 has already been paid, and a balance amount of rupees 3,50,000 is agreed upon as a full and final settlement of the claim. Accordingly, directed the Oriental Insurance Company to deposit the balance amount of rupees 3,50,000. It appears that inadvertently an amount of the amount which has been already deposited before the registry, and the amount of rupees 3,73,800, which has already been deposited before this registry of this court, has inadvertently been recorded to have been paid. So in view of date is directed that the amount of rupees 3,73,800, which has been deposited before this registry,
Already
and the
deposited.
balance amount of rupees 3,50,000, which has been directed to be deposited before this registry, be allowed to be withdrawn by the claimants as in terms of the above order dated 13/12/2025. The
My lord, that amount may be distributed among three
IA
claims.
extends dispose of in accordance in terms of the above list. This order shall be form part of the order dated so and so 13/12/2025.
That amount may be distributed because 3 lakhs.
Not that we have already given.
Of life.
That has already been distributed and the equal share you'll be,
3 lakhs 50,000 has been distributed. 70,000 is to the claimant number 2 and 3, and remaining amount 2 lakhs will be claimant number 1. Accordingly, Lordship, in this order that should be reflected, 75,000 is, and the remaining amount may be in favor of the wife claimant.
75,000 each.
Each claimant number 2 and 3, maybe 70,000, 75,000 each. Out of this 7 lakhs, 3 lakhs 73,800, and remaining amount may be in favor of claimant number 1, wife.
3,73,000, 3,50,000.
3 lakhs 50,000, already your Lordship has distributed that amount.
You add that and we'll see.
Otherwise, Lordship, registry will be difficult to release in which paper, in what amount that amount will be released. They will be in difficulty. So, Lordship, your Lordship.
So earlier we said we have only distributed in respect to 350.
350, yes, Lordship.
Now we'll have to add that.
Yes, your Lordship may distributed this 3,800 may also be distributed.
In terms of the same order.
Yes.
In respect of 350. You add that same thing. That was out of 350. This should be for 370.
Of life.
$57. 57. Yes.
Direction is given to the respondent number, particularly two of this. But 3 to apprise this honorable court regarding non-compliance of the order by the respondent number 8.
Yes.
We have received the instruction also, we'll file an affidavit. Instruction also.
What received the instruction? This contempt.
No, content.
one order has been passed by the Honorable Court to apprise the respondent authority before the Honorable Court regarding the.
Have you taken steps?
Yes, sir, I have taken steps. Both as the
Apprise this request to add the communication that is issued by Chief Executive Officer Kamala has not been added to by the respondent number 7. Yes, you are for?
1 PN8 PNRD lot. PNRD lot.
Yes.
Lordship, we have received the instruction, also we'll file our affidavit.
What is your instruction? You are supposed to apprise this court. When the communication dated 19/9/2025 has not been complied with. Who is respondent number 7 and 8?
7 and 8, my lord, President and Secretary of the concerned city.
It has, communication has been issued.
Issued, madam.
Then,
That communication was not complied with by the respondent number 7 and 8.
7 and 8.
7 and 8.
7 and 8, they issued a communication, notice was issued directing the concerned tenderer to submit the requisite pending balance certificate.
Like, all the things have been formulated and also submitted before the concerned authority.
And Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. MS so-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. A learned counsel for the respondents submits that she has received an instruction for respondent number, for 1-3. Respondent number 8 submits that she has received an instruction to which she would like to bring on record by an affidavit for which list of therefore phrase for listing of the matter after 3 weeks. Where the list after 3 weeks.
My humble submission.
The-
Stay may be granted.
Office note indicated 05/01/2026 indicates that neither the ID card nor unserved notice has been issued in respect of respondents 7 and 9. You are supposed to take Dusty.
Yes, madam. I have taken.
Have you filed affidavit?
Yes, madam.
Where it is?
I have
There is
filed.
no affidavit. Although the petitioner, the land council of the petitioner admits that notice the upon respondent 7 and he has taken steps for
7 and 9.
service of notice upon by Dusty. No, he has taken steps by Dusty mode upon respondent number 7 and 8. Office note indicates that no affidavit has been received to that effect. The land council for the petitioner may
yeah.
file the record affidavit in support of the Dusty, the service through Dusty mode. In support of service of notice upon respondent number 979 by Dusty mode. You just return it.
Madam, interim may be granted, my madam.
What interim?
Staying the settlement order given by the respondent number.
We'll see. Why you have not filed a affidavit?
Madam, I have to, I on.
It's not on record.
18/12/2020, 25 year.
Then why they have said so?
I filed you. 18/12/2025.
05 no? If it is very similar after defecting that. It's not there.
We have taken copy of the.
You can find out.
57
Of the supply list, the same.
Connected
similar.
matter, 57
57 Lordship.
of supply list.
List along with signs, huh? Item 57.
My humble submission, if it is an course, stay may be granted by staying there.
We'll see. Next date we'll see.
Madam. May please the lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, item 53, Dusty service has been completed. But we filed an affidavit of where respondent number 7, but respondent number 5 and 6, it's on its way, will be filed by tomorrow. Lordship may keep it on a after vacation.
Yes, MS G Goswami, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that notice service upon respondent number 5 and 6,
And 7.
5, 6 and 7 have duly been effected. List of in support of service, an affidavit in respect of respondent number 4, 5, 7 has already been filed. List of accordingly the service in respect of respondent number
5 and 6.
7 is duly
one and two.
served. And the in respect of respondent number 5 and 7, 6
Is going to be filed.
affidavit would be filed. In respect of service of notice upon respondent number 5 and 6. An affidavit
53, no?
in support of
You are going to file reply.
opposing service
Is that
shall be filed
hearing?
by tomorrow, huh? Mr.
In item 53, I am appearing for respondent 1 and 2
Yes,
for AIDC.
yes.
So we have filed our affidavit. That is number 1.
See, as a senior counsel. Okay. Mr. D. Saiki, senior counsel assisted by appears for for respondent number 1 and 2 in WPC so and so submits that an affidavit in opposition has already been filed. Huh? Then
This matter may come up on 6th of February because there are some connecting matters.
Which were listed before court number 5 today. Those cases are fixed on 5th of February. 6th of February. So this matter may be listed along with that.
Okay. As agreed to by the learned counsel for the
I have little, my lord, adjustment, February, my lord, I have some partial difficulty. 6th of February.
Let
you
it be on
make
6th
you make a mention on that.
on that day
sir.
because another council, because there are batches of cases. Senior counsel D Das is also there. He is also having some problem on 6th of. So on
You may
that day,
make a
let all the
mention, you may
matters
ask
come and we
your junior
common
colleague
date.
to make a mention on that day.
Only little adjustment, my lord, other after 6th of February, my lord, if they fixed on some other
Yeah,
day.
you agree on that? This court has no issue.
I want all the cases to be clubbed.
Yes.
Then
Otherwise, it'll not
I
be
think it's
effective.
better if it's analogous matter.
But the matter after 6th, my lord, is fixed on after 6 months.
Sir, we'll fix it on 26th. If there is difficulty, you may make a mention for other day. A kind of the uniformity, let there be a kind of,
That's the isolated case, my lord, already fixed the isolated case. That the major cases are my lord today. That is one isolated case is there, that is fixed, my lord, because it lost the take. So it independently came, that's why.
you are in item
I 54, my lord.
54.
So my lord, one isolated case, my lord, cannot, my lord, bring all the cases together, my lord.
Lordship, I am for 54 also. In this case, they have filed a amended petition, item 54, and we want to file a consolidated affidavit in opposition.
Okay. But in any case, you will list it on 6th. And then in item continue order, huh? In WPC 6417/2025, Mr. Saikia, London Senior Counsel submits that he may be granted some time to file consolidated affidavit to the amendment petition, the amended writ petition filed by the petitioner. Huh?
6 February, can I say?
Then item 55.
We have to file a affidavit in behalf of
Ah.
clients.
AIDC, yeah. And as agreed to by the learned counsel for the parties, let this matter be listed on 6th.
Only my small prayer is there, my lord. But what happens, my lord, about four cases are, my lord, today listed. This was also taken together, but what isolated case, my lord, that was, my lord, segregated. So segregated was segregated, my lord, that got fixed on 6th. So now, my lord, the date was fixed, my lord, has not been, my lord, that
these four cases, my lord, so my lord, after Feb 6th of
Sir, you are in item 54 and 55.
54.
54, you record his name, huh? In 54. BP Todi. BP Todi, huh?
Cases can be set up.
And item 50.
fixed করিম আমি
Mr.
on that day আপনি date যেটা
S.
লাগে
Das,
ওটা
huh? Understood? You have a consensus on the date.
Item number 55 also, the senior council is senior. There was a request that they want it any other date than 6. I said that let the matter be on 6 so that all the cases are clubbed together and it can move together.
Okay. Then we'll say as agreed to by land council for the land council, land senior council for the party, let this matter list on 6th. Along with, should I say along with? Along with WPC?
The number.
Huh.
Lead case should be 5859.
Huh.
5859. This morning's case? No, lead case. Our case, 5859. Which came this morning?
What is the matter in anyway?
But the lead case will be like, well, it is
5859.
54.
The tender matter regarding some scrap of Kachar paper.
Okay.
Dismantling of Kachar paper. And we have already deposited more than 4 crores being the successful, that's already.
They will refund it.
Okay.
Interest.
Much of it, my lord.
I see.
Hello. Just go 6 the tender. 6 the tender. 6 the tender.
6 of course,
It's kind of.